morning, Wolfpack. How's everybody this morning? How's everybody doing? Thanks for everybody joining me here today. A little bit late here this morning. Sorry about that. I had to take the dog out, man. He was crying at the door, and I can't do that to him. Poor little guy. You know how I am with dogs, right? And then he wouldn't stop messing around. He had to go smell everything in the yard. I'm like, come on, Finnegan. Of course, but it's all good. It's all good. We're here. We're live. And all you beautiful wolves are here. And yeah, we did it before market open. I thought it was later than that, guys, actually. I thought it was at least another 5-6 minutes later. You know how time you think it's later when you're rushing for something, and then you get there and it's like, oh fuck, it's not that bad. So anyways, just want to make sure you guys hear me all clear, loud and clear. The mic packed it in above. For some reason, I don't know why it's not working. I don't know. Switching back between this Google Meet and all this stuff. I don't know what happened. I was messing with a bunch of stuff last meeting on there, and I don't know what I did to it. But we're using the mic off the camera. So just tell me how. I was talking to somebody last night. One of my friends actually. On the other side of Ken, he says actually it's clearer. So it is what it is. We'll have to deal with that. I just don't have the funds to replace that stuff right now, and I'm probably going to get a better one. I'm probably going to get a Shure mic, one of the top of the line ones, but they're really expensive. So it is what it is. Anyways, let's move on with this. We got 1 minute till market open. We'll let market open here, and then what we'll do is we'll go through our regular stuff. I haven't pasted any notifications to any of our other channel and to Twitter and stuff like that, Facebook. So it is what it is, guys. We got a full room this morning, it looks like. Thank you to our two moderators, Christopher and Sanjay. Thanks for keeping the chat board going and all that stuff. I really appreciate it, guys, and I made a really good decision doing that. We've been getting lots of good feedback. I just want you two to know that. Okay? And thank you, Christopher, for your IT performance on Google Meet. It wasn't me, for once, that was messing up. I'm just joking. So, guys, market just open. Just give me a minute here. Yeah, let's do this, wolves. Let's do this. Okay, guys, let me get set back up here again. Okay, so here we go. So, anyways, excuse me. What I wanted to ask you guys. Okay, Glock, Mr. Glock, send me an email immediately, please. This is the not telling you what to do. You know how I roll, right? I'm very assertive on that. There's a conflicting thing with your email. I need that ASAP, please. I got something for you guys. I sent out a list of all of our links. I just want to discuss some stuff while this levels out here, and I will go through stuff. This is very important stuff. We've discussed a lot. We've made a lot of changes into the channel, and some more changes are coming up. Some of them you are not going to like, and some of them you're going to love. So, and as you know that it's not just me making the decisions. It's put through two other people now, at least one. It'll go through one of the moderators. Christopher's more of our IT department, and Sanjay is more of our clown department. I'm just joking. I'm more of a clown than he is. No, but I'm just joking. That's why I love you guys, because we can joke around. But anyways, I wanted to thank them once again for doing everything. Yeah, I just I run things past them now, so this is so easier on me. So what I wanted to say is I got a list going out there, and Michael, I need you, and JP. There's 3 of you I need. I'm just watching you guys come in right now, and Jonathan, I need you, Jonathan. Friend blackmasspaydirt.com. I need if you're going to be part of it, part of our squeeze thing here, and you want that private VIP status there, you want a seat in the room, you got to get a hold of me and send me an email, my friend. I just need that email to send you some information to get in there. I'm just going to check who's coming in here. The room's going to be locked down. Okay, we're not going to be running multiple rooms. I've discussed it with the moderators, and it is what it is. So you guys get the credit for showing up here every day, and even if you're not here every day, if you're even here every couple of weeks, you're dedicated to it. The questions you ask, you're just very approachable because you're intuitive with our channel. So I just wanted to say that. Thanks, Glock. Thanks, brother. And yeah, it is what it is. So I just want to explain to, and if you're on there right now, I'm just going to scan through the list. If you're on here right now and you have not received an email from me, okay, it's because we don't like you. No, I'm just joking. It's because I can tell who's on here right now. It's because I haven't. There's something wrong, and I don't have your email. Okay, so if you were on here, just give me a second, because this is the group right here. This is the group. Yep, Kim's on here. Jason, CEE. You've been on, yeah, because we're gonna lock it down, guys. And then I got 5 extra seats open, and they'll be for people that aren't on here. There's a handful of people like Cap that are already there. Jamal, you didn't get one. Send me your just send me an email. I know that I know you already sent it. Please, bro. It's just that I have a substantial amount of emails in there, and I got an email buddy. It's called an app now, so it logs all this stuff. And I got an email tracker to see when you guys open your emails too. I'm just bugging you guys, but it's all good. So I'm scanning through here, guys. Yeah, Joshua. Oh, Alfred. If you, I know you're sporadically on and off, but you have been here since the beginning. Mexican boss. I don't know about you, bro. I always see you on all these other channels. Can we trust you? I don't know. Yeah, and you roll with the cartel. I don't know. I'm just bugging you, bro. So, anyways, I need your handle, guys. So I'm just going through here. Everybody that's on here right now should have got an email. Okay, check your email. Check your spam box. Okay. Just going through it. I'm just going to go through the list and say hi, and then it'll be easier for me. Okay, Christopher, good morning, and thank you, brother. Thank you for being here this morning, and thank you for everything that you've done. Once again, Christopher pulls through. Guys, if you come to the Google Meet VIP room, you need to have a set of headphones plugged into your machine, your device you're using, even if you're using a phone, tablet, whatever device you got, okay? Apple, PC, Android. Please. I don't care if it's Bluetooth. Just make sure it's connected. You're not doing it during the stream. And it is what it is. So, guys, have that stuff plugged in, okay? Or else you're going to sound like me all the time with the echo. We're going to have reverb happening, okay? It's a must, okay? Because that's why we have test runs, okay? So, Jay, good morning. Citizen, good morning. Alfred, good morning. Josh, good morning. Sanjay, good morning. Thank you, Sanjay, for everything you've done. I'm very, very happy I made a right decision. I fucking nailed it on those moderators. And there will be probably more to come, but not probably this year. Okay, guys? But we should have a third one that's a backup. So I'll think about it. It's just not on my mind right now. I got some cool shit we're doing in the next couple weeks. Mr. L, good morning. Glock, good morning. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Glock. And how are you doing, buddy? Jamal, good morning. Kay, good morning. Jonathan, good morning. Mr. L, good morning. You're one of my last emails I sent out, Mr. L. You should have got it. And thank you for showing up to the Google Meet. Okay, good morning. You should have got something. Gloria, good morning. And if you got something, please send back a reply. Or else I'll give it a week, and then you'll just be bumped off of it, okay? Because that seat's very valuable, okay, to people that want it. Good morning, Manjeet. Thanks for the reply back. Jag, good morning. Jerry, you should have got something. Please reply back. Okay, Michael Doyle. Should have missed your email address. Okay. And then this room's locked, guys. Like I said, there's a couple extra seats open. It is what it is. If you're not going to be there constantly, tell me. Okay, if you're not going to be there and you know you're working and you're only going to be there for like 10 minutes in the morning, tell me. Because if I notice that you're not there and then you show up and you're gone for like 3-4 days, I understand if you're sick. What will happen is I won't let you in the room. Okay? Because we got people that have families, single moms and stuff, and single dads that need this and that need the education and the support. Okay, if you're out working, you don't need the support. You're out working and stuff. All you need, you can just contact me privately and ask me questions. Okay, or come on here. Okay, guys. So Kevin Saint, Turbos. Okay, I'm gonna give you an email address here. Just hang on. Why is it not? Okay, just give me a second, guys. I know we're a little bit different this morning on the channel. I'm going to go through stuff right here, and fuck, we're just ripping. Okay, I'm going to put some stuff out there. We're at $42.21. AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol, 3.33 in the green. GME is 5.16 in the green, a positive friggin' number. $241 and some chump change. I'm just looking at my portfolio. That pretty much most of it. Oh shit, lithium's hitting the States pretty high. Good, it's up 13.3%. We can see some where it's on a rip. Like I said, anything over 10% is an actual fucking rip. So that thing's ripping, man. That lithium. I would not recommend jumping on it right now. Okay, lithium is a very, very tricky mineral, or well, it is. Technically. So anyways, I just wanted to give you heads up on that. That thing's very versatile. You think fucking AMC is? So it goes off of the market, what's in need and what's in desire, and what people talk about with that, okay? There's certain times you buy lithium, okay? If you should have had it like 6 months ago. It's just one of those things if you're going to be on it. It's a life decision with that kind of stuff. Okay, I'm looking at, that's pretty much it. Sheepcoin's up 4%. I'm gonna take some stuff off here. I was just checking out our dividend stocks. I was just going through all that stuff too, man. Oh, I should make it where all you guys in the VIP room have a member status. That's what I should do, man. It's only $4 a month. I do more of that work than that for you guys. So I'm putting this on you guys, man. Cheap motherfuckers. I'm just bugging you guys. No, it's a lot of work, guys. You guys should know my humor by now. But yeah, the support's nice, and I love that the members that have done that. That's awesome. It shows your dedication. That's why you guys got in there pretty much immediately. I'm just fucking with you guys. I'm in a good mood this morning. Okay, so, well, this thing's not letting me. It's fucking me around here. Okay, so I have to go over to this computer here, guys. Oh, fuck. What's going on? Fuck off, computer. Come on. Stop messing with me. Okay, cstrades101@gmail.com. Okay, here it goes. It's going to be on the top, guys. I don't mind sharing this stuff. It's just I know that a couple people got pissed off at me and unsubbed, which beat it, right? I don't really give a fuck, okay? Some people got in a very vicious argument with me in email, and a whole bunch of said some fucked up shit. That's why I do this shit, to get rid of these clowns out here, okay? So, straight up, I really don't give a shit, okay? and I know you guys don't either. I'm not here to make money off a fucking YouTube status. Okay, I have money. Okay, I run my YouTube like a business. I don't invest in it unless whatever money I make in, I buy equipment. I've done my initial investment. You know what I mean? I don't care. Okay, and this is to all you fucking clowns out there that that think that way. Okay, so. And I'm talking to people. I'm speaking to two people in exact, and I know you're fucking watching my channel. What you said was very disrespectful, and yeah, I wish you well on the stock squeeze and stuff. But yeah, you pretty much screwed yourself because I know you watch a couple other channels, and I just wrote them a fucking thing about. I'm actually friends with other people on here that on YouTube that I don't talk about because sometimes creators don't do that. But yeah, you pretty much screwed yourself, and I just can't believe those are pretty fucking vicious words that you were saying after all we've done for you on this channel. So anyways, I just wanted to throw that out there, and I wanted everybody to, I know I'm very blunt on that stuff and very direct. It is what it is. That's why you're here. We don't screw around with stuff. It is what it is, and the truth hurts sometimes, right? But yeah, if you're gonna be like that, you don't need to be vicious towards me or anybody on the channel, or put people out and calling people down in you sending me emails and stuff like that. That's not cool, man. Like we've never done anything to you, so I just wanted to tell you that. Like, I don't care about my YouTube status. Like, that means nothing to me. My friendships mean something to me, and you should probably think about that and recalibrate your lives. I'm not talking about you guys. I'm just talking to a group of people. So it is what it is. It is what it is. So if you don't get into the group thing, that's not my problem. I did not make Google Meet. I did not put these caps on it. And I've done my DD. I've talked about this for a month now, putting stuff out there. It is what it is, and I just wanted to just tell you guys that yeah, it is what it is. Don't be upset. Like I said, I'll be able to get you maybe into the room. I'm trying to find out who's going to be there. If they're going to be in here at certain times, then you can come in at a certain time. If they're only here for 10 minutes in the morning and they're gone for the rest of the day and the seat's available, I'll make it happen. Okay. But the one thing I wanted to talk about before we jump in here is hey Lloyd, how you doing, brother? How was your job interview, bro? Did you get it? I got a welding test at 2 o'clock this afternoon. 4-plate test, dude. A 4-plate test. They weld it, cut the coupons, little strips up, and then they bend it right in half. And if the weld snaps, you're done. I've had over 300 bends in my life, and not one has even cracked. Not even a fucking pinhole. So, yeah, I'm the 1%er club when it comes to welding. They call it the golden hand. So, very few people have it. So, anyways, I just had to put that out there, Lloyd. I was thinking about you, buddy, the other day. So, yeah, I just wanted to tell you that it is what it is. But you have a lot that you can learn off of the channel. It doesn't mean that if you're not in that group that it's the end. They're both going to be running at the same time, okay? So, it is what it is. So, anyways, guys, yeah, because if people think that if they unsub or I lose 20, 30 subs, I don't care if I lose like 500 subs. It doesn't matter to me, right? Or else I'd be out there blowing the channel up. I don't do that. I sit here and whatever, right? It doesn't matter. I don't make money off YouTube, and even if I did, I wouldn't care. I'm not that type of person, right? So, anyways, I just had to throw that out there, guys. Oh, thank you for all the support back, guys. So, oh, the fucking clowns, right on. I sure like that little clown emoji. Hey, it's pretty cool. They did a good job on that. Oh, and thanks for whatever you're talking about. I think you guys know, but I'm the bigger person. I'm not going to actually throw it out there. And do you know, most people in this world, including on YouTube, the way that I was spoken to and stuff, and actually threatened too by one person. Yeah, I don't take liking to that much, but it doesn't bother me, right? I just know the mentality. It's I've never been threatened on YouTube before, but that's crazy. But anyways, I wasn't gonna share that with you guys, but I just wanted to. It's just messed up, man. All over just because of a channel, right? But it is what it is. I think it's fucking hilarious. It's a good weeding tool, man. You guys fucking bit hard, right? So it is what it is. We got rid of you. So, Alina, Cam, could you be likely, oops, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna read some stuff and then we're gonna get right into it, guys. Cam, you could be like Ape Father. He was on a roll this week. Was he? Was he up to no good? Actually, to be honest with you guys, I know, if we were in the same room, we'd probably become friends because there's a couple key things that he is actually pretty good about. Okay, he does support AMC. And when he ends into something, he's fucking die hard. Nobody'll get him, right? I don't give a fuck. You know, like that attitude. That's somebody you want on your side, to be honest with you. Okay. It's just that if he didn't put the spin on it, which I put the spin on it, some people are like, what the fuck? This guy's live and he's talking about all this shit like this. He's fucking crazy, man. Or he's an idiot, right? One or the other. It doesn't matter, right? Like, that's not a popularity contest here. But yeah, I do agree on that. Everybody has their own thing. I actually do, we joke around him, but about him all the time and bug him, which he probably bugs me, and it doesn't matter, right? But bottom line, he's not that bad of a guy. I can see it, right? I'm just saying. So, anyways, oh, look at all the love coming in. Aw, thanks, guys. He does, Kay? He wants to be good friends with Lou now? I don't think that will work. Not after what he said. See, that's the problem with, yeah, yeah, I'm not going to say anything. There's medication for that. Oh, citizen, it's all good. Yeah, CJ AF's heart's name. That's exactly what Sanjay what he's talking about. Fucking nailed it. Oh, sorry. Yes, Kevin, I like that persistent stuff. I like that persistent. I noticed you mentioned it already. It's just that I get sidetracked. Yeah, just throw me your handle, man. You got my you got my thing, you got my email. Okay? Pawn, how's it going, bud? Big news here in the States is the Midland re-election power of the head of the federal chair for a second term. Oh, okay, Mr. L. Thank you for sharing this United States American stuff with me. A lot of the stuff is vetted out through our media. We just don't cover it, or we're told not to cover it, or it's blocked. Same as you guys. Most of you guys didn't know about all the Native Aboriginal. The kids, they're finding hundreds and hundreds of them, little babies and stuff, all buried and alive in the ground and stuff, and broken arms, fucking shit, fucked up shit, caved in skulls and stuff like that, and they're buried around all the Catholic reform, the schools, those Catholic schools and stuff back in the day that they took the kids out of. You guys don't know about that. They would fucking beat them so bad that when they got rid of them, because they were registered, they would bury them. There's hundreds buried around all these Catholic schools and shit. It's fucked up, man, up in Canada here. So I know I've mentioned about it before. So that's the type of stuff I'm saying that's vetted out between the two countries. It's fucked up, man. So between the two of us, we got this. And I wasn't throwing that out there to make you guys almost want to fucking puke. It's factual reality, man. I have to deal with it every day. I have Aboriginal blood in me, and I have to deal with it and talk about it every day. It's the voices of not being heard is what sucks. Their voices weren't heard. So by me talking about it, the voices are being heard, okay? So that's the way we all look at it up here. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, he must. I was reading that too with his meeting out. I'll pick 8 father over Matt. Yeah, no kidding. Okay, sorry to get all weird about that Aboriginal thing, but it is what it is. I was just doing I smudge every morning and stuff. Well, not every morning. I didn't do it this morning. I'll be truthful. And well, no, not every morning, but mostly I do. I do smudge and meditation and stuff. So I was actually I missed it this morning. That's why I'm talking about it, to show recognition out there. Okay, not that I've fucking, yeah. It is what it is. Excuse me. And you guys can go fact check me on it. Just be prepared to be very, very sick. Brian goes bonkers. Welcome, brother. We've probably been here for a while, but I just wanted. Aboriginals in Canada have been neglected forever. That's right, Kay. Yeah, that's right. Oh, thanks, Christopher, for changing the. Thank you, brother. That's why you're moderator. I know it's very touchy. I know. And then let's not get into political. I was going to say the Black Lives Matter. Well, we're not. Let's not even go there. The Ghostbusters. No, I didn't see that. You'll never get the time back, Michael. Yeah. Rodney Prince. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Rodney. Excuse me. Sanji's little ghost. That's awesome. I love you guys, man. I fucking do. I do. Okay. So, anyways, that's why I don't smoke a doobie and come on here, man. We'll never get it. Not like we get anything done. But I just wanted to tell you that. Oh yeah, man. I can go right off on stuff. That's why I've had comments. They're like, those stories you tell on live stream, Cameron, why don't you make videos like Lou does? People would love it, right? So, I don't know, man. Maybe I should make a biography on myself. Yeah, I'm up there with probably some of the better stories than him. Not that I'm comparing, but. Okay, so what we're seeing is, it's Monday morning. Let's get into some technical analysis, and let's fucking rip this shit up today. Okay, we're going to bust this shit huge today, okay? So what we're going to do is the channeling, okay? I didn't want to say anything. I was letting it just get to where it was going. It stopped exactly right in the channel. Right in the fucking channel that I already know what the numbers are, right? You don't think I'm already out doing this shit? Okay, so notice how it went. Notice how it went up like fucking $3-4. Or no, two. Okay, sorry. I'll say that. That's not done yet. That's what the top is. Okay, because it went to $3. It went up. It's changed $3 to $4. Don't you find? You know what I mean? And that's what it is. That's what it is. The week. It's not going to go up much higher than this. We're stuck in this for the week. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys what we've been doing, and yeah, like I can't believe this. This is power, okay? This is power of knowledge. We've nailed it. We're 100%. We were 98% accurate. Now Monday morning, if by Wednesday we nailed it, and by the closing time at the end of the day, it closes within that channel. Okay, I don't care if it goes down, and it goes like say $1 or $2 and go bloop, and it goes back into the channel. That's because you can't just fucking put all the shit and start order flowing. You have to remember all this shit's coming into the market, all the lit. It's lit, right? So all the shit coming in there that are private brokers directly into the market are dumping shares. They got to calibrate it and pull back, and there's shares that are shelved that are paid for. They paid you for those shares that you bought, or no, you paid them for the shares. They gave you the whatever fake ones or whatever the fuck you want to call it, real ones, whatever you think, right? Whatever makes you happy. So I know the real answer on that. I've talked about it before. It is what it is. We have to deal with what's in front of us. And yeah, it is what it is, right? You can have your own theory on stuff. I have my own theory on it. I've talked till I'm blue in the face on it. And it is what it is, right? I've called banks. I've called fucking bro. Oh, I did have some stuff this weekend. And yeah, and I can't believe I'm not throwing this out here. I'm not oh, you nailed it 100% over the last fucking 6 weeks. You fucking, what are you like? You know what I mean? I'm not after it like that, because some people take it like that. Oh, fucking being cocky. No, I'm not. I'm doing this to prove that they're fucking us. Okay, they're running the numbers off the options. Okay, and it's a little tricky to read. It's a little tricky to read, especially when there's FOMO coming in, because you get people all over the fucking place. That's why Monday morning is the best time to do it. Sunday night actually is the best time to do it. And then you look. So we're gonna have a pull down here. It's gonna hit about $40, give or take, and then she's gonna go back up. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna read. What's your PT on these next 2 weeks? Okay, thanks, Sasha. And how you doing? I haven't seen you in a while. Well, a little bit. I know everybody's getting. Sundial's bleeding. Gloria's crying all over the place. I don't have any tissue paper for you, Gloria, but I feel for you. I feel for all of you guys. What's fucking Sundial doing to you guys? Oh man, it is down 4%. It is down 4. It's back to that friggin' 70 again, man. It's like a fucking crypto play you guys got going on there. Oh, Fuse Cobalt's up 13%. No way. Fucking needs to get way higher than that. Vision's up another 9%. Wow. I might actually be able to execute that order pretty soon and give it back to them. Fuck, I only got another. I got 8 cents to go, guys. Is it 8 cents to go? I forget. And then I'm clear. Okay, so let's get back into this. I just want to check a couple more things on here. I want to just make sure I'm not missing anything. Proj, P-R-O-G, was at 5% when I started yapping my face off here, talking nonsense. Now it's back down to 1.2. Obviously, it's from the apps over the weekend dumping. It's stabilized. Yeah. Tesla's up 4%. It's back to almost 1,200 right now. Oh, damn it. Okay, enough of that. Okay, let's. I don't use the option chart in Webull. Okay, it's very. I just. Excuse me. Damn it. You've been sick with COVID, Sasha? Aw, that's too bad. That sucks. That sucks. My whole family in the interior was totally against, like, I'm not getting the COVID shot and all this stuff, right? Just total. I'm not gonna get a political on here. I'm allowed my own opinion, okay? I'm not even gonna say it because it'll just blow up in a fucking talk for the whole day. But anyways, he was against the shot, and I don't give a fuck if you are or you aren't. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, so if you get COVID and you're not getting the shot, I don't even want to fucking hear about it, right? So it is what it is, and I know that there's a lot of fucking bullshit with the shot. I know. I have looked into it all, man. Trust me. But yeah, it is what it is. I like you either way. If you don't care, friends that are totally against it, and they've done protesting on it, and there's people that got it, and there's it is what it is. Yeah, I heard about that, Sanjay. But anyways, the whole family, the wife brought it home, and the whole family got it, right? And then he put something on Facebook, and yeah, I kind of let him have it a bit. So he hasn't talked to me since. But it is what it is, man. Like, that's like driving a car with fucking bald tires on it down the freeway at top speed in a fucking rainstorm. Like, and you hit a fucking semi on the other side of the road. Like, come on. Yes, you can, Joshua. Yes, you can. And if anybody says you can't, I know there's a couple friends of mine that have. Yes, yes, you can. It just makes it less. You don't get it as you get it like way less. And yes, you can, but there's an 80-90% chance that you won't. Okay, but you can get it. But if you got COVID when you had the shot, you'd probably be dead. Okay, if you would have got and you were really sick and you had the shot already, you were on like your second one, and you got COVID and you were really sick, you probably would have been one of those statistics that were dead. Okay, that's all I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, Brian Good, bonkers. Yeah, it's up. Natural immunity is the bit. Yeah, that's up to you guys to figure that out. I'm not going to get into this, but I don't think anything should be mandatory at all. I don't like being told what to do. That doesn't fly with me. But it is what it is. I had my reasons. My wife is a cancer survivor. She has an immune system. By me bringing it home is like praying roulette with her every time I walk in the door, right? So I had a choice. Our family doctor said you have a choice. We can't tell you what to do. Bottom line is, how much do you love your wife? That shot was done within a couple days, right? Second one too, and I'm going to go for the third one now. Looks like, but it is what it is. I just wanted to tell you that. I'm not pushing on anything. I don't support anything. I'm totally fucking neutral on this, okay? I'm actually more on the negative side in the aspect is I hate the shit, okay? I'm not supportive of it unless it is what it is, right? I had my own reason to do it, okay? She has, if you've ever had cancer before, you're never the same after that, man. It does the therapies and the chemotherapy hardens all the walls of all your arteries, and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get all sad now. Wow. Anyways, it is what it is. It affects you for the rest of your life. So, anyways, brothers, I want to go into this. Let's get into the options. I have to go to stocks era to get into this. Sorry, guys, I'm diverting off that, but it is what it is. So, anyways. Yep. And what's happening with you and the Google thing? Excuse me, sir. Yeah, that's right, Brian. Can you give me a rundown with the Google thing? I'm gonna let one of the moderators hit you on that, Sasha. I don't know. Christopher's still here. He's usually there, but he's usually building, stooping his computer, doing something, building servers, and oh yeah, he's good like that. So yeah, you got time this morning, Sandy, or do you just want to give Sasha a rundown on that? I'm gonna jump onto something else here because it's just as important, right? I want to stay on topic here a little bit, just because I've discussed it already this morning, and I'm not trying to be an ass. It's just that Sanjay can sum things up in pretty short, and it's I just want to stay focused on this just for a minute, okay? And I just don't want to be rude to you. That's the reason why I'm getting him to do it, because else I'd be another 15-20 minutes before I even talk about it, just because I'm in the middle of something right now, and I don't want to be rude to you, Sasha. Okay, we've got the options chart on stocks era. I'll explain it to you. It's free. It's free. I'd love to go build a bot with this guy. Fuck. Oh man, I can already see he does have a bot that gathers this information. There's no way a person can do this. So anyways, stocks era. I'm going to spell it out to you and just type it in how it is, okay? And it is like it's like Ortax, but it's way better. It's a one-man show here. The guy does take donations, and it is what it is, right? Because he's just a solo guy that does all this DD, right? And that's better than a computer compiling it, okay? So, on the AMC Entertainment, I'm going to go into options right now. AMC... He's changed his format here, but options. No, that's just me being fucked up this morning. And if the SSR is ever on, and you have questions like, "Fuck, is it on or off?" Come to this, type in your ticker symbol. It says right on the top. It'll tell you if the SSR is off, on. Okay, and if anybody doesn't understand that, that's if we have a downplay, and it goes in multiple other ways. I'm going to do the simplest format on this that is in our favor. Okay. If it drops more than 10%, the next day, in the negative, if it drops on a stock more than 10% in close, okay, closing regular hours into closing in the night, okay, into post market, if it drops more than 10%, there's rules that come in effect, okay. And those rules, you can educate yourself on them by just Googling that, okay. I don't want to get into that too much. I was just telling you why, okay. So. $42.14. 42? Yeah, 42. It's done exactly what I said it was going to do. Fucked up, man. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit creepy that it's being predicted like that. But it is what it is. Oh, I got to put this out there. This is strictly entertainment. This fucking channeling, okay? I know there's a handful of you that are making some fucking good money off this, okay? But I didn't know. I was educated by our buddy Rodney on here. Was it Rodney? I think it was Rodney. Yeah. He educated me on, thank you very much, Rodney, because I'm not an options guy. Okay, never have been. Just never. I know a little bit about it. I know enough to stay the fuck out of it, unless you're good at it. But I heard. Well, I've been hearing it. It doesn't matter how good you are, you eventually lose. Okay, so it is what it is. I heard that if you do have beginner's luck and you nail it a couple times and you fucking do really good just to get out, just do something else. The odds are against you on the stock market. You should know that. But I wanted to say that it's strictly entertainment, this channeling what I'm doing, because if you don't, in between this channel is what I'm making right now, and this information I'm putting out there is the information that you need to do options. Okay, so if strictly entertainment, if you do options and you lose money, it's not on me. This is just prediction. It's not me throwing it out there and I'm supporting it and I'm fucking pumping it, and I'm not doing any of that stuff. This is just fooling around entertainment. Okay, whatever you guys do, you're fully responsible for. I'm just saying that straight up, just because I know what some of you are doing on this, right? Because if these numbers on the upper and lower, the ceiling and the floor, if you hit dead center or anywhere in there, you still make money. Okay, but if you can lose money too, because I'm just going off of whim here, right? These things can change any minute, these option orders. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to tell you 3/4 of it. Some of it I'm not. It's just personal information that's for myself, okay? So, and that's up to you to figure out. Okay, I'm going to give you the basic rundown of it, but like I said, some of it's not, well, I wouldn't say top secret, but some of it's my own personal information, right? How I figure shit out. And that's it is what it is, right? I don't share everything with you guys in life, okay? Some of it's for some of the stuff is just protected information, in my eyes, right? So you could a lot of put it this way, you can do a lot of fucking damage with it if I told you the whole of it, okay? And it can either go either way. If you don't know what you're doing, you'll screw yourself. If you can come really, if you have all of it, you can come filthy rich off of what, if you had the whole bit of knowledge I know on this. But you have to remember, greed isn't power. Okay, I'm just telling you that right now, and that's being greedy. So what I'm doing is just checking out the way this is running right now. We're nailing it. We just fucking nailed that. I said it was going to cap out and go start climbing. It just did. Okay, it does this formation. It's going to go up and then it's going to tap again. Okay, it's going to tap out at about 40. What do we got here? I'm going to do it right now. Okay, we had a candle hit. We had the wick hit 42.99. That's a weird number. 42.99, and we had a pullback. Okay, how bad was the pullback? Okay, we had $3. We had $1. Oh fuck, almost a. No, we had 20-cent pullback. Exactly 20-cent pullback. So 20 times. This is the stuff I'm not going to share with you. 20 times. Carry the food to the power of 3 times how long? 4.7. Okay, now I can figure it out. Okay, so all I'm doing is finding what's in the money. Okay, so we're at 40. Is this today? What are the days here? Volume. This is. Okay. Okay. Okay, $43. Okay, we're going to go down here. Look at the $43 range. Okay, right here. Okay, look at the money here. In and out of the money all the way across the board. Okay, there's nothing right here. We're going to look at the numbers. Okay, look down here. This is what I'm looking for. Okay? Right here. 23,000. Okay, this is out of the money. Yeah, there's a trick to it here. Okay? So okay, this is the volume. Out of the money. Give me a second. I wish this was all in one chart here and I could zoom it down. It makes it easier. Okay, out of the money at 43. No, we're going to go to $45. So our numbers are almost into the money and volume are almost the same. Okie dokie. So 45 is not the number. I just did the math on those two, and that's not the number. That's not the high. So that's good. We're going to go a little higher this week, possibly this week. It'll at least tap it. Here it is right here. $50. That's it. 26. That's it. Here we go. 23,000 out of the money. Okay? In the money, 17,000. Okay, at $50. That's our strike point, man. That's what. That's why I'm not talking strike point with options. I'm talking the. I shouldn't say it like that because that's what that means. Um, I'm just gonna make up a term because I don't want to use strike point because that's an actual options term, and that is not cool when you switch things like that. I'm going to call it our upper tap point. Okay, when it taps off of it, that's our cap. Okay, I'm going to call it our cap. Okay, the $50 this week is our cap. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to close at that. I'm going to say it's going to tap it a couple times. I don't know what it's actually going to close out, the exact number, or else I wouldn't be sitting here talking to you guys. Okay, I'd be a fucking genius working in fucking Wall Street. Okay, like I said, there's contributing factors. There's dark pool. Nobody can judge this shit. Not even a fucking bot. Okay. My trader's bot is averages way down on this stock on the AMC. I've done it. It's like 60% average because of the dark pool. It doesn't know what it can't go off of data. Okay, there's no formulas that can figure this out. Okay, and if anybody says they can figure, they're full of shit. Okay, you need to be able to have, and if somebody's judging it, there's different ways at the stock market. There's the real time and there's delayed time. Even some of these platforms that say they have the real time aren't really the real time. Okay, when it's the real time, there's people that actually have access to the real fucking time. Okay, where it's like instant. When you pay for these platforms that have say it's instant real time, it's not really instant real time. There's a certain stock market allowed it's still a couple minutes behind. Okay, up to 5 minutes behind, and then some of them are 15, which those are actually 20 minutes behind. Okay, I should actually do a video on that. So there's a very, very few people that have the real time. And when you're paying for a platform that says you have the real time, it's not. It is the real time. Everybody has that time on the outside of the world of the stock market. It's classed as the real time, but it's not really the real time. Okay, if you know what I mean. I don't know if you can wrap your head around that. But anyways, it is what it is. If you don't know if you think that that's the real time and everybody else thinks, then that is the real time as far as you know. Okay, until you know different. That's all I'm trying to say. So it's called a delay. It's delayed for a reason. So everything's in sync. If it was put out, it just everything's slower in the I don't know. Christopher understands it because he's a computer guy. There's relays involved and a whole bunch of shit like that. Okay, so it's called choking it. They're choking the time a bit on it. Okay, so what it is $50 is our number. Fucking clean as day. This one's an easy one to do. So 49 definitely not. 50. 51 definitely not. 50 is our upper limit, upper top limit. It's going to top off that. We don't know if it's going to close on that. Like I said, I just explained why. I don't know that, and I don't even put that much thought into that because I don't give a shit on that. Okay, I'm after just the information of what it's going to do. So 50s are upper. So we're going to set, just because I do this shit, I'm going to put a fucking line here. Okay, at the $50. And that's one of the ones from like a long time ago, 45. I'm going to take that out of there. There we go. That was just from months ago when we were actually met at this ring. What are we at? We have an $8. We're at 42 right now. 42. We still, oh fuck, we got to go up quite a bit. Okay, 42. Say if we close, we're going to close around this area today. 42. At 42, that would be 10% would be $4.20. So we have to go $4. We'd have to go up 25% roughly, with some 23% to get to that $50. Okay, that's quite a bit. So I'm actually gonna go a little bit lower on that. I'm gonna go 59 or 49. Sorry. Yeah, I'm going to go 49 on that. There's a reason why. I don't want to put it right on the money. It's bad luck. That's the only reason why I'm doing it. I don't like that. I don't like that even number. You guys know how I am with that shit. You never put an even number when you're betting against somebody on the stock market. You always go off, especially when you're betting against the actual market itself. There it is, right there. Okay, so I was just checking something out there. So horizontal trend line, horizontal trend line. I forgot that's how this thing works. You got to line it up first. Ha. Oh, it's letting me do multiple. Yeah, see, I can't scroll up. I got to get rid of that. Oh no, I don't want to delete that. Okay, I gotta get rid of this. Oh, it's gonna let me do multiples? I never had that before. That's weird. I never had that. Usually it screws me around. This is weird, man. These settings are off. I gotta get rid of this. Huh. Anyways, I'll figure out that later. I can't keep on fucking with this thing. Oh, there we go. I figured it out. Okay, so, oh, ow, 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 ow. Okay, we're gonna go on this right here. Put that horizontal line back on there, and where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I need my glasses on. Actually, I should have my glasses on. That's what's fucking around here. Right there. That's it, guys. I'm gonna lock that. Cha-ching. Okay, that's our line there. Okay, sorry guys to pull you back on that a little bit. Instead of the actual 50 on that, it's just I just don't like that. I had a really weird feeling on that. Oh fuck! It's doing it again. Fucker. Look. Why is it doing that? It's weird. It never used to do this before. Ah, I figured it out. Nope, I didn't figure it out. Okay, you're fucking around, man. Oh, that's why. Fuck you. Weird. Not screwing me hard here. Sorry guys, I've never had this issue before with this fucking thing. I don't want to reset the fucking chart, you cunt. Okay, come on. Fucking me around here. It's really fucking me around, actually. Fuck you. Not you guys. This is starting to fucking irritate the shit out of me right now. Okay, come on. Come on, you fucking piece of shit. Sorry guys, I don't know what the fuck's going on here. Deep breath, deep breath. Smash this fucking thing in a minute. There we go. I figured it out. I figured it out. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. Be cool, calm, and I know you guys love it when that happens. I know you guys love it. It's all funny. I know. A friend of mine says, "Man, dude, you're the fucking funniest when you get mad." I wasn't actually mad though. I was just. There we go. Okay, so anyways, I just had to I did pull all those lines off there, and it took a while. So anyways, because we had a bunch set from a long time ago. Okay, so we are at the lower. We got it. And we're held to the hedge funds. Oh, they're stressing big time, brother. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, so let's narrow this down a bit so we can actually do some DD on it. We're still cracking it. We're almost 4%, guys. It's this is the nice little wave we got going on here. So our upper was 30 or 49, right? Right, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, put that back on. That's what it is. The drawing mode. You got to have that off. I've never had issues with this before. They just did an update, so they must have added that feature. Okay, there we go. We're gonna lock that. And then we're gonna take off the drawing feature because you cannot scroll down with it on. Oh, we got two lines again. I'll take the one off. See, it's still screwing with me. Okay, that's a big channel here. And the lowest I could see it going down to is that, what is it, 41? 41 is, 40, that's 3%, 3.67% is 42, which is 2.4%. Just give me a second here. I gotta look at this. I was just having a look at it first before I, now this is screwing me around. Are you kidding me? Fucking with me today. Messing with me today. AMC Entertainment Holdings. Okay, we've got to put that on options. We do. Okay, options. We got our upper. We got our ceiling. Okay. Now let's check the bottom. Okay. Okay, 42. It's at right now. 42. Yeah, we're gonna close around this today. A little bit lower, but possibly, but we're going to lock in around this, okay? The $38 thing is a past, right? They will not, this thing, I'll tell you right now, if they're not going to let it go down past 38 bucks this week. They would screw themselves bad, fucking bad. See, oh yeah, they would. There's nothing there. I wouldn't use Webull. The charts are totally, for some reason I don't understand Webull because it is also out of China, so they don't have all the information because as you know, China can't work deals with everybody in the stock market. So some companies I know that I just have their own thing with China don't supply the data. I know that for a fact. They don't trust. The same as I won't buy stuff through Webull. I don't trust them, right? Not that I don't trust Chinese people. I'm not saying that. I just don't trust the country itself because of the government that's in. So they don't have our best interest. That's what I'm trying to say. There you go. There, I said it. It took me a while to figure out the right words. So, anyways, I know this takes a while. Sorry, guys. It's just one of the things it does. You gotta fucking 35, 38. You gotta pay attention. It's really weird because you gotta figure this out. And I'm doing math. That's what's taking me a while without a calculator. And you don't have to nail it. That's the thing with this. It's beauty. You just gotta get an average. Okay, so 40. We're at 42.3 right now. 4%, 42. I think the number is going to be $40, guys. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's the $40. There it is. Well, that's fucking good. That's good news, isn't it? Isn't that good news? Isn't that good news? That means we're going to go up all week. That's what that tells me. Right now is our, well, we could go, put it this way, it's only going to go $1.40. If it's going to go lower, it's going to go, market opened at $1.41 and some chump change, okay? So we know that it only can go down another dollar and some chump change below what it opened today. Okay, so what does that tell me? It's going to be a fairly, not in a good week as in like, fuck, the thing's going to squeeze. It's not going to squeeze this week, okay? I can tell you that right now. We don't have enough volume. Nowhere near. Sorry to burst your bubbles. And no, I can't predict it. I'm the first one to admit that. But I can also tell you when there's not enough volume, it just won't happen. $40. We're not gonna go even. Okay, we're gonna go $30.70. I'll figure it out. Are you fucking kidding me? There you go. $40.12. Excuse me. Sasha. Oh yeah. Oh Brian. Oh yeah. I've been saying that for fucking 6 months that it's going to be in 2022. That's all. That's all. We all know that. I was one of the first people to say that. A squeeze has to take a year. It doesn't matter. Bobcat, what's up, brother? Brothers, welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, I made videos on that like 4 months ago that it was going to be 22. And then there's so many pissed off people, but the fucking truth hurts, doesn't it? And no, I can't predict it. I'll be one of the first to admit that too. But I can give you an average because of the volume, okay? We need that volume. Every squeeze takes a year, okay? That's why these PROG, it's going to squeeze next week. Yeah, they got 42 stocks I've counted that are all going to squeeze, okay? It's a new terminology that they fucking picked up. The short squeeze thing. That's all over the place. This is going to short squeeze. None of it is, okay? There's 2% that is, okay? And there has to be a whole bunch of shit to come and play, and you guys already know, I've already explained it, they all have to fucking line up. It is a planned event. It has to go in that order, okay? Yes, it did. Brian, it did. Yes, it didn't take a few years. It took over a year. Yes, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys that. But it was caught off the ultimate surprise. Okay, yes, there was people that had that fucking planned. They were planning on this. Everything didn't line up until probably about the 9th month, 10th month. Some people knew what was going on, but they didn't have the information back then except the stock market to see on shorted volume. Okay, it was all on paper back then in 2008. Okay, guys? When I talk like that, I'm not talking to belittle you guys. It's just that, that's what I'm serious. That is just the way I talk when I'm talking like that. It's not to put you guys down like fucking treat you like retards. No, that's not the way. It's just that that's my number one asked question. Yep, that's right, Elena. Yep, I could almost see those two squeezing the same time. They're probably going to do that, okay? When I don't mean the same time, within a day or it could be that day or the next day or within 3 days of each other, they're both going to rock. I don't know which one's going to go first. I don't know which one to be more violent. You have to remember GME is more primed than AMC, but AMC has more volume, more shares available. So it kind of evens out, but that band on GME is fucking just torquing. Same as AMC, but you have to remember that GME has not squoze yet, okay? And I will fight tooth and nail on anybody in that, right? It hasn't had a short squeeze. It never even fucking came close yet, guys, okay? And you guys know that if you've been watching the channel for a while and I've showed you, the shorts have not covered, okay? They've kicked the can down the road. There's a reason why they didn't cover. There was some lawsuits that were pending on it, which kind of fucking is a moot subject then until now it's cleared. The shorts have to cover their positions. They have to return those shorts back to the original owners. Sorry, who knows that they could be lent out 10 times those stocks. That's called hedging. Okay, so okay, back to the drawing board. Have fun. Alina, thank you. Thanks for coming out. Yep, that's right, Brian. Brian goes bonkers. I like that, man. That's good. Can you put the AMC chart? Yeah, can you put the can you put the GME chart? Yeah, Brian, but they're going to, bro. They're going to. Sorry to say, guys, they might not do it right away. They're going to. They have to. There's too much. They're going to. Okay, they're going to do it, and they have legit reasons to. When they fucking uncover that, which they all know about the synthetics, but who's going to be the guy that's going to get fucking hammered on it? I got to move this one line. Who's going to admit it? The government will have to admit it. Okay. Admit that there's synthetics out there. The reason why they're going to pull that is because they're going to use that synthetic, the fraud, all that shit to pull that off. Okay, they're going to say that that's the reason why. That's one of the reasons. There's so many reasons why that are legit that they can legally do it by. Swing trading on it. That there's no, they don't want. That's what they do. That's the main reason why they're going to pull it. Okay, they don't want swing traders. People doubled down. On it. They're going to say with the synthetics out there, we will pay you guys that whatever, but you can't. We're taking the buy button off. We don't want swing trading on it. We don't want people buying and selling, and that's it. If they take the buy button off, you sell, you're done. That's the whole reason why they'll do it. It'll happen. Trust me. Trust me. Because if they don't, you can make fucking unlimited money. Okay, unlimited. You heard me. Unlimited fucking money. Unlimited. Okay, every person that has a friggin' brain on figuring out what to do, buy, sell, on the candle movements. Okay, and guys, I gotta be clear. Don't use other stock screeners when you're selling your stock. Use the same broker one, or else you're gonna screw yourself. Okay, about that delay thing. Okay, I'm right about that. Okay. And you don't want to use a 15 delay chart. Even if your broker has a 15 delay chart on it, you got to figure that out. You got to call them. If it says you're not paying for that extra, whatever the fuck they charge to get the real time, and then your stock prices, you notice there's a problem happening, you might want to figure that out now. Okay? What happens when I'm selling with this 15-minute delay? Don't pay for the extra 15 fucking minute chart. Okay, but don't just be smart ass and thinking, oh fuck, I'll just use Webull and the 15-minute chart, fuck them, and I'll just sell off a Webull. It don't work like that, okay? I would definitely be calling them and ask them that. Figure it out. Knowledge is power. To say when I sell my shares, you guys have a 15-minute delay chart. I have that problem on Wealthsimple trades, okay? It's a 15-minute delay, and they want $20 or $30 a month to get the real time. Well, that's fucking $200, $300, $400 a year. I'm not paying them that. For what? For nothing, right? So the bottom line is I still got to call them today about that, right? So am I worried about it? Not really. But you have to remember that those 1 minute candlesticks are going to be nice and juicy and fat, okay? When I say that, they're probably going to be repping at $400, $500, $600, $800 a candlestick in 1 minute, okay? Because you have to remember how bad it can retrace, okay? Once you have an $800,000, I'm just throwing this as entertainment, totally talk purposes. Okay, I'm entertaining you on the subject, as you guys know that. Nice big candlestick, say sitting at $800. Okay, it's the same as on here. You see one on here that's up nice and high at 1 minute. You're like, wow, that's a big candlestick at 1 minute. It moved like almost $1.50. That's a lot for a candlestick in a minute, right? Well, that $1.50 times it by 100 and some odd, you're up to like fucking hundreds of dollars. The same thing. That's how it works. Okay, it's called volume and volatility. Okay, it doubles it. It's the doubling factor, right? So when it does a pullback like that, It's the same. The algorithm in the system runs the same. It's just that the numbers you're adding, the hundreds, you're moving it decimal places down. That's all you're doing. It's simple math on a computer. Christopher will know what I'm talking about. Because computer formulas run off of zeros. So the tenths, hundreds, thousands. So all it does is moves the decimal places. Okay? If you can figure that out, a lot of people have, you're a math genius. Okay? That's the key to the puzzle. I can't even do it. I know how it works, but I can't figure it out. I don't have the brain to figure it out. I know what it is, how to figure it out. Yes, I do on a calculator, but I can't obtain that much information. It's just the formulas and shit. I can't. And I shouldn't say I can't because that's putting yourself down. But anyways, we got our figures. So $40 and 12 cents. I'm not saying that it's. I just want to be crystal clear on this. I'm saying at the end of the closing, it could go way down here, but it's not gonna. In my opinion, at $40.12. By the end of the week on Friday, it should, notice I say should, and don't be doing options on this, guys. $40.12. I would have gone $40 straight, but you guys know how I am. I don't go even numbers on the stock market. Same as if I do put a options high upper sell limit on something, that I would not do it on AMC. That's just my own opinion. Orders don't get filled sometimes. Computers fuck up. You get your message returned when you don't want it returned. Oh, we can't. There's a problem with the thing. We can't sell your. Well, fuck. What do you mean you can't sell? Now you're way out of the fucking thing. You get your email. You read your email. Now the thing's all over the place, right? It's not worth it. It's a one-time shot, guys. You only have. It's up to you what you want to do with the options thing. I don't run the computers. I don't do all that. I like manually. I sell. I know it right away if it's sold or not. But if you're at work or something like that. And you guys remember when this thing taps that number, if it just goes tap and then drops down, it sells, okay? If you have it set like that, and then it consolidates like 2 cents under and then rips up 800 on the other side, you just fucked yourself, right? So it is what it is. And you got to remember, if you have that set at nighttime while you're sleeping during after hours, and it taps that because institutions are fucking around in there, which they will be. You have to remember, there's no breakers, there's no rules in there. It's like a gladiator pit in there, okay? It taps that number, like taps it, and then fucking your order is executed for market open. You can't change that, okay? You signed it by you filling that out and pushing that button. It's a contract, okay? So maybe some apps you can change, but the ones I've all used up here in Canada, I'll speak for this. Maybe there might be ones in the States that you can change afterwards. But once it's done its thing, that's like you can't. By you pushing that button, you're sealing a contract pretty much. Okay, so and then market opens, and all of a sudden your order's dumped, and then it rips. You just screwed yourself, right? Because if the buy button's going to be gone, okay. Be prepared for it to be gone. And if it's not, then fucking hallelujah, right? Don't count on it being there. Set yourself up for it not being there. So if it is there, wow, it's a bonus, okay? So there you guys go. That's why I don't do even numbers, okay? Because computers run off even numbers. Especially putting a zero on them is the worst thing to do. It's so predictable. That's why we had that problem with GME. If you guys remember when it went up to $300-400 range. At $200, all of a sudden it fucking went like this, ba-boom, and collapsed. The reason why is people had options on that. Or not options, but they had their upper sell limits on that even number. Because some of these apps had a default. You could put it on there, or you can go custom and make your own. The hedge funds know that. They know that, yeah, it's just common knowledge, right? So anyways, GME Entertainment, my friends. We're at 5.6. Stop it. Stop moving around here on me. 5.49% in the green. In the green. It's the leader today. It's 2,400. 2,000. I'm seeing another zero. It's 241. Okay? Thank you, Christopher. Christopher gave us some valuable information here about, and I think he's mostly, take your I have mine set off. Go into your computer settings, and and go in there and take your updates on it. It can update whenever it wants. You can set it like that on Windows 10 and 11. It can download, but it won't install unless it has your permission. Okay, that's how I have mine set, anyways. I would recommend that, and do not do an update in the middle of. Let it wait until after the stock squeeze is done. If it's asking it, download it, and says it's all installed, you just got to push the button to shut the computer off and restart it and let it install. I would not recommend that, and that's up to Christopher to finalize that answer, because, like, he's a fucking genius on that. That's why he's on the channel. He's our IT guy. I would not recommend that, okay? Because shit can go for fucking. Look at me, I was down for a week over something stupid that Microsoft did. Just messed up one of the drivers. Okay, I'd wait until afterwards before you update your computer. Okay, till after the squeeze. I do have this as a backup. Okay, I have this as my main computer. This is my backup, and then I have my phone. Okay, so I have 3 devices that I can use. Warren, how you doing, bud? Welcome. And I would get them all up and date and check them, see if the software is all updated ahead of time. Okay, I'm going to go back here because I've been yabbering for a long time. Manjeet, yeah. Manjeet's listening. Oh, she's always listening. She's on other channels. She bounces. She's the bouncer. She doesn't like us anymore. I talk too much about other stuff. She's more educated than the average person, so she gets bored of my stuff now. She knows everything she caught our play. Now she just goes elsewhere. She's an information gatherer. There's nothing wrong with that. That's what smart people do. Can you put up GME? Okay, Mr. L, did you want to be more elaborate on that? Did you want me to, I have it up right now. Did you want me to talk about anything? Did you want me to do anything with it, on it? Or were just trying to bring to my attention that it was, that it is doing, we have a bit of a push on it. Thank you, Mr. L. Oh yeah, I hope they don't take the buy button. Yep, we talked about that. I never hit fresh start, so I have been restarting at waiting screen. Oh, yeah, I would, and oh guys, if you're using Webull, I would definitely have 2 different stock screeners downloaded and updated before you go in, okay? And I would refresh your fucking computer and have all that ready, guys. Do your defragging, all that shit. You should do it tonight. And yes, I'm telling you, that is information I'm telling you. It's not financial advice. No, but I'm straight up, I'm telling you. Go in and optimize it and defrag your computer. Make sure all your files are fucking put in one place and it figures it all out. So all of a sudden you can't find your fucking stock screener saying file it can be found. I mean, well, it is in the computer and it's not recognized. Do all that stuff. Defrag it. Empty your all your shit off, clean your computer, clean the disk stuff. So remember, sometimes you can delete all your passwords, okay? There's settings for that. You guys should know that stuff. And there you go. I would take that stuff off with all of that defragging stuff. I would know where it is, have it written down to shut all that stuff off.
Oh, yeah.
Before you, for the squeeze, so you can know and have a sticky note on your computer to go, oh, I got to take off that. I got to take off that, okay? Because guaranteed something's going to happen on you, okay? Hold it down. Hold it down. Hold it. Really be about what you speak. I don't know. Penny, I don't understand what you're saying. Hold it down. Really. Be about what you speak. I don't understand what you're talking about, Penny. Okay, history repeats itself. These dudes never learn. Over jealous? Shorts. Oh, okay, she's explaining it now. Perfect Nova isn't how perfect works even. Okay, this is Penny again. If you lose money in the past, that means you passed. In the past, that means you put your whole account in this time, even the purchase of one share is. I don't understand what you're saying there. If you lost your money in the past, okay, that in the past of what? I don't understand what you're talking about. The past squeezes? There's only been a couple. Half these people aren't even old. I'm just joking. In the past, that means put your whole money in this time. Even the purchase of one share is for. I don't. Sorry, sorry. Maybe it's just me. I've only had one cup of coffee, but yeah, that could be taken so many ways there, Penny. Um, can you elaborate there, please? And thank you for bringing some stuff up. Sanjay's laughing. Jay, whoops, laugh loud. You guys are laughing at it. Yeah. See, I don't think anybody understood that, my friend. No disrespect. Just elaborate it. We'd love to find out what you're talking about. Joshua, Mr. Hambone, how you doing, bro? Jay, Monday Morning Blues. It happens. Aw, you not feeling well? That sucks. I know. I go through it too. That block seen possible 4 times. Oh, guaranteed. Guaranteed, and I agree that. I actually second that. I say it's between 4 to 6. Okay? Oh, fuck. Evie, how you doing? Aw, thank you. You too. Yeah, there you go. Christopher fucking nailed it. Zeros and ones. I kind of knew about the zero thing. I was about 50 on the one. On the zero thing, I was 100%. The ones, I didn't know on how it worked. I knew it ran out of zeros and ones, but he just said that it's the binary sequences. Okay, I didn't know that. I don't talk about stuff that if I don't know about it. Zero was invented in India. I did hear something about that. Same as same as candlesticks. There's hollow candles, and there's filled in bodies with colors. Okay, that's what we got here, the color chart. And China invented all that stuff for weighing rice and stuff. Okay, so this stuff is thousands of years old. Some of this stuff. Okay, the basic of it, the basis of it. Okay. Good morning, love. Hi, Dee. Good morning there, girl. I had a good talk on the weekend. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you guys heard that, eh? Somebody subbed to the channel or somebody bought a membership. Yeah, Christopher's putting some good information out there, guys. Yes, yes, Warren. I'm very privileged to have him and Sanjay as compadres on my channel, man. And the TV running good, Mr. L. You, that's smart. That's smart. I can turn a fever, or you can't. Oh, he can, and he can meal mail too. Yeah, we've kind of forced you into that, eh, Warren? I remember when you first got on here and stuff. Hey, don't, buddy. I'm afraid. I was afraid of it too. I had no choice. Me too, Mr. Al Sanjay. Oh, you guys are all awesome. I'm going places, dude. If that's, yeah, man, that's awesome though. Hi, Aaron. How you doing? Right on, Christopher. That's awesome, buddy. Okay. Thanks for all your interactions. I know you always don't get the answer you expect sometimes out of me, um, but it's out of good intentions, and sometimes people can't see that, and then it is what it is, right? Um, you have to remember I'm an old bastard too, and I got them set in my ways on some things that just don't make sense to some of the younger generation. So one day it will make sense to you. Don't you hate it when older people say that? And I'm not the oldest one on here. That's what I was. Glad you're on my side. I was saying that last night to Sanjay. We had a meeting last night. late at night there. We did a voice chat together. We had some stuff we had to talk about to do with the channel. And yeah, I was just saying Christopher has enough knowledge that if he was actually, if he was if he was on the other side, he'd be very fucking dangerous. And I think the government is happy for that too. Not that they really know, but yeah, man. Good thing you're not a criminal, bro, or else you'd be a very fucking dangerous person. And I mean that with a positive end of it. Okay, like wow, man, that's good. Good, it looks good on you, man. Okay, I haven't been vaping that much this morning. I can open a can. Ha! Right on, guys. Good stuff, good stuff. Thank you for bringing up all that stuff. Do you guys have any other information that you think that should be known about for the channel, for other wolves, apes, whatever you want to call yourself today? Anything you want to share with that you guys can think? I'm giving you guys. I don't really do that much. I should probably do it more. I'm just throwing it out there. Do you guys have anything that you think that other people should know about that would benefit them? Only if it would benefit them, okay? I'm giving you guys a chance to have the floor, okay? I'll dedicate it to your handle on here. That's where it's coming from. I'm not taking any credit for your guys' stuff. I'll give you a minute to think about that. I'm just going to go through my screener here and have a look. Okay, remember PROJ, G, Canadian JJG, tomato shit going on here in my head. Let's jump in here again. I know we keep on jumping on that, and you're like, fuck, Cameron, leave the fucking thing alone. No, I'm not going to leave it alone. I'm not picking on ass face either, AF, okay? I'm not doing it for that. And if you guys bought and you're holding a bag and you're like, fuck, I just face reality, okay? I know a lot of people will shut their computer, fucking idiot when I talk about, then delete the fucking thing off the screen if they're down that much. Trust me, I have positions already open like that. That's not what to do. You don't do that, okay? I don't want you to dwell on it every day. That's the worst thing you can do. But that's where you should put your limit orders in, okay? Your bottom, you've probably already lost enough money, some of you, that it doesn't matter the fucking bottom limit. But that's when you put your upper, and if you're not paying attention to it and you're thinking, fuck, this is going to take years to go back up, that's when you set something like that, okay? Then you get the email all one day and, holy fuck, man, I exited my position, cleared it. It's all cleared up, right? That's, instead of dwelling on it every day, that's what I use those orders for, okay? Those execution orders, whatever you want to call them. So anyways, I wanted to show you something here, and they're up to the same shit, and if it's affecting new people coming in this, because there's all this information is coming out on this stuff. It's been doing this for a couple weeks now, okay, a month. But there's new people. Information takes a while to travel to some places, okay? People internalize it and compute it different, and it comes out different when it's a finished product, okay? Bottom line is this thing's supposed to fucking squeeze, okay? It's not gonna squeeze, okay? Sorry if you're in on it and I'm bursting your bubble, but take this knowledge and go with it, okay? Don't try to fucking figure out, and try to figure out how I could be wrong. Bottom line, accept it and make a plan, okay? You have time to make a plan, okay? This thing's not going to go to hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's not going to go to multiple thousands, okay? Reality, okay? The stock's, it's not going to do it, okay? Bottom line, okay? It has payment for order problems, okay? Just like the rest, half the markets aren't even hit, half the orders haven't even hit the market, okay? It is what it is. Some of them will never hit the market, okay? They'll just be shelved forever, okay? It is what it is. This has not the volume. Yes, it has the daily volume going through. The reason why this ripped like this is, I can explain it if you guys want me to again. I will explain it. I'll let you guys just say, yes, Cameron, please explain it. But that's a whole 2-3 minute topic on it, and I've already done it before. That's up to you guys. If you want me to explain that again, I don't mind explaining it. Okay? But yeah, you're going to see this thing going up and down in the wave action. Okay? This is the only way, and this is a perfect little fucking project for them. Your guys are wondering, and I was too for the longest time until I figured it out. And I wasn't just the one. I had somebody else pointed out to me on a couple different channels, noticed about the same time. They pointed it out to me, and then I'm thinking, then I have the problem like that too. I got to prove people wrong. When I think something, no, they're wrong. Then I got to find out to prove them wrong. But then you start looking at things, you'll look at anything to prove them wrong, right? Then you lose totally touch with what the fuck the whole point of the thing is, okay? So that's what you got to watch. Try not to do, especially with fucking stocks, okay? So the most obvious thing is the answer sometimes, okay? It's too obvious sometimes, okay? So what this is I've seen this thing. I think this was the one that was over 1,000% or almost close to 1,000% overturn on the stock, okay? So let's look into something here. This was picked, okay? This was picked for a couple different reasons. Because of what the company does, okay? The amount of free float, okay? The field it's in, okay? What type of stock it is, okay? The country it's in, where it's traded, okay? Because there's flaws in the system, bad flaws in the U.S. economy, stock trading, okay? The New York Stock Exchange, okay? The lit market. There's big problems, right? So there you go. Those are all contributing factors, okay? The problem with we already know we're going to dumb it down a bit. We're going to go through a couple things. This is the education period. I've been trying to do this. I've been asked to do this by a bunch of people privately in that, and I just had something else. Me and actually Sanjay were talking about it, and it's actually beneficial to everybody around us. Okay, if you don't want to, you got to just go do something, right? Or whatever. I'll be jumping off the topic. I'm about 5 minutes here, but this is the education time of the day. We've been doing this lately for the last while, because we'll get into stocks. We'll do it, and then we'll have our thing. And if you guys want to know anything, I will. Proud. I'll cover that in 1 second. Just remind me. Thank you. And then this is our classroom time. Okay. And then we'll have a thing. This is the way it's set up. I got to have a sort of a system here, which is fly by the seat of my pants, pretty much. I'm just joking, but we always have a little bit of education. Okay, the other day we did candlesticks. Okay, the definitions and what stuff means. Okay, so I'm not going off a book. This is strictly out of my brain. So it is what it is. Okay. Okay. Key factors on this. I've already explained it. Okay, we're gonna get into volume here. That's the first thing we want to check out. What is the this is what they do to pick stocks, okay? To fuck with, okay? To get you guys, and it's working. It's working. It's pulled a lot of investors, a lot of not institutions. They're smart enough to stay the fuck away from this shit, okay? Or they've got a message to stay away from it, okay? This is only to hurt retail investors, strictly, okay? Strictly. And they know that this company deals with a lot of stuff that people are suffering with, that could change people's lives. They're not stupid, so they pick the stock like that. This is planned, okay? And if you don't think it is, well, that's your own opinion, right? So I know I'm 100% right on that. That's why this was targeted, okay? It's just what they're involved in, right? If they pulled through with some of these things and these patents that they have and all this shit, and it'd be a fucking miracle company. Okay, which they could, right? It's just that they're getting a substantial amount of money right now for this shit. They make money on this shit too when it goes like this. Okay, so let's get into portfolio. Okay, so what we're gonna do is it's from the States, right? I know that. The company is new. Okay, anything within 5 years is new. Okay, it's very new. Okay, so that's very concerning. Okay, to me, to some degree. Yeah, see, look at gastrointestinal health, almost, and bipolar. Everybody knows somebody with bipolar. All the symptoms that they deal with, you know somebody or multiple people in your family that have issues with this stuff. See, that's why it was picked. Okay. Oh fuck! It even gets worse. Gastronomical problem. Everybody has that. Drug delivery system. Oh man, wow. So yeah, they knew about this before the company, before they even knew this. So they look at this stuff and then it is what it is. And if you're thinking, oh, they don't. How do they all communicate? It's the same as us communicating. Like seriously, they're on mail lists and stuff. It's not. It's easier for them to pass information around than us. It doesn't need to go to everybody in these big like for instance, a hedge fund that has fucking 10, 20,000, we're happy for the thing, members. It doesn't need to go to all of them. Hardly anybody knows the information. Only has to go to the top a couple people, and they don't talk about it. They're just told what to do on the job. Same as me, go fix that bridge. Well, I don't need to know anything about it. I just go fix it. Fix this section of the bridge. I don't know who crosses it, who owns it, who's partners with the government. I don't know any of that shit, right? That's what I'm talking about. So, anyways, let's do a pullback on this, guys. 30-minute candle chart right here. We're going to look at the pattern. We've done this before. Okay. They tease you with certain shit, okay? So, we're going to go here. It's trading normally, okay? Sort of normally around here, okay? It just, retail market, it opens. We're going to start back here. And some of the stuff will fuck up, and it'll do a couple days good, and then it'll change back to its old patterns, okay? So we're just going to start in the middle of the market, in the middle of the night. Okay, it's leveling out. Day before it was level, it bleeds, okay? Gets into the market overnight. Doesn't do, this is how I can tell there's no institutions in on this. Very few. They would not play in this fucking game, okay? They will lose. Hardcore, okay? They have people that have gone to school, masters and stuff, and then fucking CEOs can spot this from a mile away. Okay, it's just the retail investor is just, I don't know, we're just a different, yeah, I won't even get in. We're just a different breed, okay? And there's so many so many personalities in on this. It's overwhelming. Okay, that's not the actual factual information on this, okay? And I'm 110% right on this. So accept it and move on to the next thing so you don't overload your brain. Don't try to prove me wrong, because it's not going to work on this one, okay? Because I can see it from a mile away. Okay, not that I know everything, okay? I don't. I'm learning as we go, but I can spot this from a mile away, okay? So I'm using this as a guinea pig. I know I keep on picking on this. It's not because of AF. It's just that this is a fucking awesome little project, and sorry if you lost money on it. Hopefully you probably have your day to gain your money back. It hasn't gotten too out of control yet, but it's going to take a while, okay? Depends on what you're in on. And you only lose money when you sell, okay? Just remember that. I know everybody says that, but that's true. Okay, so in the night, it's stale, okay? That's what I can see, right? It's stale. So there's nobody playing at the night, okay? Market opens. It fucking right away, boom! It fucking pumps up. It juices, okay? It pumps up a bit, up. Those are juicy fucking candlesticks, man. Pure greens. 2 pure fucking greens. But it does a pull down. So it goes up, and then it has a pullback, but it goes way down below, and then it goes and then back up. So it looks like to us, oh fuck, man, that thing's got like resistance, but it's in our favor. All day traders look at this, okay? Holy fuck. Okay, whoa, that's 50-50 on this. Should I go in? Should I go in? Should I go in? The next one's juicy as hell. The next couple candles, like, holy fuck, look at this. I'm stupid not to get it. I gotta make my mind up. You're running out of time. You're swing trading. You gotta fucking go in or go home, okay? You only have a certain amount of time, okay? Where were we again? Oh, right here. Can you guys see this? I'll blow it up a bit more. Sorry, guys. I'm working. Okay, here's nighttime I was talking about. Okay, it's stale. We don't see that. You never see it like that. There's no action at night. You never see that on a stock that has this much attention. Okay, so you have these. I'm also on the 30 minutes, so this would be like 5 or 6 greens. Okay, so then all of a sudden, the rest of the day, down. Ah, fuck, I'm out. Like, it moved quite a bit. That's a lot, man. What you would have bought in, you would have lost a lot of your money. You were looking at quarter, probably, close to it. Depends on what you, yeah, but around that. Or no, 16th maybe. But that's a lot of money, especially if you put a lot in, right? It depends. Because you have to remember, this is only one day you've lost that much. So just bear with me. All night long, and you guys can, use experienced traders can second me on this if you don't mind. Because tell me what you think. It doesn't do anything. That's not normal. That's not normal. It should have gone like this a couple times. Okay, it's stale. Market opens. You have to remember, this is your second day. Okay, it's a mind fuck. Okay, it's planned like this. Poof, tanks. Shit. It is about 10 o'clock in the morning, 11 o'clock. You only got a couple hours left. you can't exit your position. You've fucking lost a lot now. Then it goes back up and recovers exactly almost, but a little bit higher where you fucking from the day before. But you're still negative. If you look. See, there's your line right there. You're still down quite a bit. You can't pull your position yet. Oh, I'm just going to wait. All night long. See, as it's planned. Early in the morning, they started fucking pulling it down before market opens because they know that that's going to log on the clock. Market opens. It's already lower again. Ah, fuck. Shit. Now I'm back down to where I was the other day. I'm even more down. It goes down a little bit more. Oh, man. Then it starts going up. Oh, then it collapses just before the market fucking closes again. It goes exactly where it was. Oh, my God. So then it is again. It's stale, which is just so obvious what's going on. It pumps. Yes, we're having our day. Then it goes down a little bit. It stabilizes. But do you pull your position? Fuck no. Because all that volume coming in that made this go up, everything looks like nice. Oh, this is awesome. It goes up. They push it up. Everybody goes to sleep. They pull it back down a bit. Then it boom again. Yes, look, we're going to be rich. And then you fucking double down. Bam! You fucking bleeds. You lose all your money. The next day it bleeds again. Consolidates, nothing. On a stock that has this much attention that's not normal, it goes up again. It does it. It brings new investors in right here. Does it again. You play the game. The new investors lose money. You lose your money. And then it goes up. And then it's been long enough. Now reinvestors come in. New investors. Boom. You've made a lot of money. Now it's up $6. You're holy shit. Now everybody's talking about it on the fucking planet. Okay? This is around the time frame. Then boom, you lose it a lot. Like you're screwed now. Now you're on a continued bleed. Okay, so there you guys go. I went overboard about 2 minutes on that. I just had to really explain it in to see what because I forget to explain stuff to the degree I do, and I just assume, and I got to stop doing that. Okay, so there you guys go. Make your decision on this stock. But this is what I'm using as our template here. We're down now. Just as I talked, it dropped another 2%. Okay? I'm not saying that it's not going to go back up. I'm saying be careful and use this. Learn off of this. Okay? And if you don't have money in on this, I can't tell you what to do. But if it was me, I'd stay the fuck away from this. Okay? Just when I said that it went down 6%, it just dropped another 1.36%. Okay, and those are big drops. Like that's over 2. If that drops like that, those are like, oh, it's only 7%. Yeah, but times that but how many? What is it? 20 days we're open a month. 30, yeah, 15, 20. Yeah, times that by that. And I know we don't always lose, but you have to remember it's back and forth. What you want to look for in the nighttime, if it doesn't do anything in the night, and you always see about 4 in the morning when the average person wakes up in New York. Right? You wake up early because you got to get to work. This is common sense, right? You wake up about 3, 4 in the morning, usually a broker. I know you don't start till 9:30, but you got work to do. Work never ends when you're doing that job, right? So when that opens, that's when you have they have their smartphones in their hand. They're all connected to the main computers in the office, and they're out walking their dog early in the morning, and that's when they do their damage, okay? They plan it. They all communicate. By then, they're executing their knowledge, and it's in motion. Okay, so when you see this at nighttime like this, it's very bad. The staleness. You want to look for that. It shouldn't be doing that. And then and just before market open, it always fucks you. It's not good. It's not good. Okay, back to reality. There you go. There's the finished product. Okay, pretty freaking scary, eh? Here, we'll even put it on the 5-minute. There you go. Pretty scary, eh? Look at that. Pretty scary. I should pull it out a bit because that's not fair to judge on the movements. Okay? There you guys go. I'm afraid to look at the questions. Okay, a couple questions here. I'm just going to go back up there. Okay, Mr. Sanjay. 8th committee advised the pumping of this stock Have you heard about it? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're infiltrated all over. Wall Street bets and all that stuff is infiltrated, huge right now. Yeah, I wouldn't even. Yeah, it is what it is. You guys do whatever you want. Um, no surprise attack. Yeah. Good morning, B Ghost. B Ghost two. B Ghost two. Hey, Mr. L. Approach is good for humanity. Yeah, that's the problem. They're paying off of our fucking hopes and weaknesses. When I say weaknesses, is the diseases that follow the human race and just everything. That company is so fucking good. It's like a miracle company, man. Seriously, and it's sad. It's sad, right? If they'll take your houses and shit out from under you, and they'll be celebrating on Wall Street in 2008, that's what you're dealing with. Yeah, yeah. Shamron, yes. You're starting to see it, dude. You're seeing what I see. That yes, you picked it up. You picked it up. Yeah, and you're talking about PRG. I already did, but that's all good for clarifying. Thank you. AMC are the main ones. The others are just for fun. Yep, that's right, Spartan. Yeah, I'm just using this as education today, guys. That's what I always do. Sorry if you asked about this, but what do you think about Sunda? Pawn? It's gonna have its day. Um, I think it's our sixth one to squeeze that they've been talking about. And I'm not saying it's in that order it's going to squeeze, but Sundial is about the sixth one, okay? In order that they've been talking about. Not much, just on my way work. Oh, wow, it's pretty quiet on the fucking chat board. Okay? I just, you guys, you're allowed to know somebody afraid to fucking talk to me. Because my fucking not my rant, but about my assertiveness this morning, the way I was talking about that, and just about the emails and stuff I got and stuff. I just had to put that out there, guys. It was people attacking us, and most likely you guys. And I'm not going to mention exactly what, because I'm not going to be explaining about who and what and where and when. Okay, it is what it is, and I don't take lightly to that. Okay, I got wide shoulders. I got very thick skin. I'm a welder, man. I fucking molten metal at 4,000 degrees bounces off my fucking arm. Okay, I'm not. That pain means nothing. Okay, like I have my whole neck steel plates. Like fucking pain. What's that? Right? And you get addicted to pain too. Have you ever heard of that one? A lot of tattoo artists. Oh, the endorphins that they release, but. Here nor there, that's a different topic. So let's have a look here. AMC is having its pullback. AMC, let's go in the 1 minute. There we go. Oh, where's our lines? Oh, there they are. I was like, what the hell's going on here? Make sure our lines are still here. Oh, why is that up there? Oh, that's the other one. I'm actually going to go with this bottom line, guys. I changed my thing on that. I'm actually going to... You're like, you can't do that. I just don't like that number. I looked at it when I was climbing up. I want to be wrong for once. I do. I want on this. I'm always not saying it like that. That's kind of fucking what we're talking about. I gotta watch what I'm, because I know what I'm talking about, but I have to explain it because it just doesn't make sense. Then, when I said I have to be wrong for once, I mean on this. I'm trying to narrow it down. So it's a little bit tighter of an area, and it could put me in, it could jeopardize the fucking information that I'm putting out there, which it is what it is. Because our success rate on this channeling is 100% as of last week. We're about 96, 98% accurate. We never lost, but you got to have a lot of numbers to put into it, okay? You guys know what I'm talking about. So the reason why I pulled that down is I just had a feeling, okay? And it's not that much. It is really nothing. We're still going to be on the upper. That's a good number. If we close at that, like just below $50, fuck yeah. And if you're gonna ask, well, what is it going to close at today? What time is it? It's usually pretty early to judge. It's only 8:16. Yeah, it's way too early. Um, I just got to pull back here. 42.99. Yeah, it's too early. I can't. There's no way I can. I don't want to put. I don't want to put some bullshit information out there, guys. I don't want to do that to you guys. We're already on enough fucking bullshit with this stock. When I'm thinking there and guessing, when I'm going to start guessing on stuff, that's when I say no. I think about you guys and how much we've been through. If it was another stock, yeah, I'd throw a number out there for you guys, but I won't fuck with this one with your guys' head because I don't know and I'm speculating, and that's not good when you speculate. When there's other people involved, it's not fair. If it's me and I'm doing and it affects only me, like a swing trade or something like that, and I'm speculating, that's different. It only affects me. Okay. Sundial. Ooh, it's down to 68 again. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Just choked on my coffee. Sundial is a little bit of a demon in itself. Very good product, like fucking hands down some of the best in the world. Very good engineered marijuana stock. Like I said, a lot of it's altered. They've altered their fucking the actual genetics of the plant and the and changed it a bit and made some killer fucking shit. Okay. It is what it is. They do have onboard scientists that deal with this shit. Most of them do, but these guys are good. Okay, I know this because it's in my country, and yeah, I just know a lot about this. Okay, like I said, you can buy this stuff like they have fucking all these candy stores all over. They got 2 candy stores in the city I'm in. And I'm small. They got more candy stores over at fucking. I'm talking about Sundial candy, all over. They're on every fucking corner like Starbucks here. Okay. And the thing is with this one, we talked about this before. The lowest I could see this going is back down to 63, 65 in that range, and then it'll go back up. It's going to keep on doing that, okay? It's being held down, okay? You have to remember, this thing has 3 times as much volume of stock as AMC. Okay, which is huge. This thing has more. I don't even know how they got this much stock issued by the government. Obviously, because it's Canadian. That's one of the reasons why. Because the future for the company, it's what they're in. When they applied for the stock for the amount of shares, you have to have criterias and you have to prove it. Okay, so that the Toronto Stock Exchange, they've obviously put their applications in. They put multiple in under different areas. Okay, a stock for medical reasons. Okay, they got a amount of stock for that. Okay, so the consumption of the medical department and the doctors' hospitals. The Cancer Society. They had backing and signatures by the Cancer Society. We need this amount of shares for that. Then for public indulgement, entertainment, what do you want to call it? They had an lot for that. Okay, and then there's the what if factor, the margins. Okay, and then they had a lot for that. That's why they got a substantial amount. Okay. I just want to explain that to you guys. Fucking profile. It doesn't tell you how many stocks. I hate this. I don't know why I screwed this chart up here. I can't tell how many. Fuck. That's bullshit. I'm so mad at myself for that. I don't know how to fix it, guys. Does anybody know in here how to get the quotes back on the side? Here, I gotta get that quote thing. Here, just hang on a second. I might be able to add. I'm just going to try one thing here, and if it messes up, then we're done with the chart for the day. That's not it. Okay, settings down here. I'm just going to try one thing, guys, because I want that back so bad. It's called quote your options. It's not there either. Yeah, see, I don't know what happened, what I did to this fucking thing. That's not it either. Might be under widgets. I'll try one thing here and then I'm done screwing around, guys. Add a widget. It's cool. It's right here. That's it right there. But I can't get it on the side, which is, it doesn't matter now, to this degree. Okay, free float. This is what I'm talking about, my friends. Shares. 2 billion. 2 fucking billion. 2 billion is huge. Huge, huge, man. For a consumable company. Right? Huge. I know I won't say it one more time. So let's go over here. Let's go to AMC. I've done this before, but I just wanted to show you guys something. Quote. 500 million and some chump change. Okay? There you go. Case rested. Well, let's go to GME. 62 million. Oh, we'll cap it. We'll cap it. We'll just go over above 80. Okay, we're gonna put 80 million. Okay, we've gone over and above because the shares out, shares in, and it's over. We're not talking about the synthetics. We're talking about the actual what the stock market is. So we're gonna go 80. We're gonna round it up. So 80 million. Okay, so there's our average there. The 3 system. Okay, so there you go. Let's go to naked. Million. There you go. See what I'm talking about? Not even a billion there, and naked's fucking huge. They got a lot of stars. So there you go. Well, back to Sundial. 2 billion. No, I'm not going to say it again. There you go. I just wanted to show you guys that. That's why they're having a bit of a problem. There's a lot of fucking volume out there. Okay, people own. Okay, that is part of it. But more of the stories are, fuck them, I don't even want to know all that stuff. I gotta teach you, or I'm not teaching, I'm not a teacher. I'm gonna rechange that, saying that. I got that from you guys. I'm not teaching shit. I'm just showing something. So anyways, that's the education on that sundial. Just because I know a lot of you, ladies and gentlemen, in on that, you should know that stuff, okay, for your stock that you own. And they're like, well, that doesn't make me money knowing that stuff. No, but it makes you realize what they're up against, okay? And it makes it very easy to hide synthetics in there, okay, and to manipulate a stock when there's that much, okay? Yeah, it is what it is. So, anyways, bottom lines, when am I going to make fucking money on this? The bottom line is, we don't know. Okay, how high is it going to go, Cameron? That I kind of know. Okay, I don't know. I'm not going to put a figure on it. Because of the amount of shares that are out there and the type of product it is, this thing will go up roughly 70 cents. Will be $7. Top, very, very fucking top off the wall. No, I'm not even going to go there. It could possibly go up 800%. Okay? You're like, fuck. Oh, that's awesome. Look, yeah, 800%. But then when you think about it, well, fuck, that isn't much. Because it's in the penny. It is, actually. Okay? You have to think, because if you know how stocks go. Okay, we're going to round this to 70. Okay? 100% would be, what would that be? $7, obviously, right? So simple, add in the zeros, right? So 7,000%, or no, 700%, right? Or no, I'm sorry, I'll correction on that. I missed a zero. Okay, so 100% would be $6.88. So we're gonna round it up, so it'd be $7. Okay, 1,000% would be $70 or $7. Yeah, that's right. So I could see it going up to about. I'm not. This is totally entertainment because you guys keep on asking me. I usually don't do this. This is not a prediction. Okay. This is me just fucking around with numbers. Okay. Totally hands down. Okay. So what I think on this, I know this stock. I've been around when it first came out, and $70 would be pretty high on that. And if you look at it, because the price of it, if this was $7. And you said, whoa, it's going to go up 7,000%. You'd be like, holy fuck. It's because it's a penny stock, okay? So you have to kind of look at it like that. Anything goes up 7,000% is fucking a lot, okay? So, and especially if you bought it, most of you guys bought this low, right? So, like 1,000% would be, 100% would be, do it again, $7. So 1,000% would be $70. That's right. Just want to double check my stuff because I don't have a calculator and shit in front of me. So yeah, if it goes up, we're gonna or not some. If it goes 1,000%, I'm gonna say 1,000%. $70, yeah. So around there, 800 to 1,000% is probably the top. Okay, it could go higher, but you have to remember that there's a lot of people in on this. Okay, 3 times as many. We're not talking synthetics. I got to keep on saying that because I know somebody will go, oh, well, there's more because then we're not talking. We're talking legit. Well, nothing's legit on this stuff. We're just talking about what the numbers mean on what it's supposed to. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about. So we got 2 billion. Okay, shares. So it's 3 times as many as AMC. So 3 times as much damage can be done. That means that it would be pulled down that much. So there you go. There's 3 times as many personalities, 3 times as many people selling, 3 times as many people holding, 3 times as much fuck up that could happen with it. So that's all goes against it, guys. And I'm very, very strong on that number. It might not even reach that. I'm not saying that, okay? I'm just saying that I'm trying to give, because I keep on to answer this question. Yeah, and if it goes up that much, you guys make a lot of money. And that would be a squeeze on this, okay? That would be a short squeeze, okay? And I can't see it going any. It's just one of those things. I'm not going to sit here and speculate on it. A lot of people say I've seen videos where it goes way more higher than what I'm predicting, but a lot of these people don't even know the stock like the hole in their head, right? Seriously, it is what it is. I know everything about this. I know all the companies they bought up in Canada. They are the biggest. Okay, they bought up about 7 companies. So, anyways. So there you guys go on that. Brian True, how's it going, bud? How high do you think AMC can go? Ryan, I can't answer that, bud. For legal reasons. I'm not a broker. I don't have a broker's license, man. Up here in Canada, that's hurting, and I'm putting false information out there, which I would be because I don't know. And then you're gonna, well, what do you predict? I won't do that to you guys. There's enough of that bullshit out there. The wolves on here will answer your question for you. But we're realistic people here. I know that you're kind of new to this, obviously, which is awesome. You're welcome to be here. But we've crunched a lot of numbers. We've done a lot of work on that stock. There's so much into it. A lot of us been in since the beginning. There's only a one-shot deal at this. If you're talking, there's 2 different reasons. How high is the stock going to go? Or how high is it going to go before you sell? There's 2 different things to that question, okay? Like, how high is it going to go isn't what you're going to get. It doesn't, and that can be I'll fucking, and most people agree on that. Nobody's going to get it at the top. If it goes to this number, that's not what you're going to get. What you want and what you're going to get are 2 different things, okay? Nobody's going to nail it on the top. Okay, it's only gonna tap that, and that's like in fucking 5/10 of a second you're gonna fucking. It takes too long to fucking hit the sell button. Then you have to count on what you sell it at. There isn't what you're gonna get. It still has to be executed. Okay, so it is what it is. I'm just being very clear on that. But beautiful question, man. Beautiful question. Oh, you're in Ontario, brother. Another Canadian. There you go. Pond is fucking. There you go. I'm not allowed to. I just can't. You're a Canadian. You know the fucking laws up here. They don't screw around with that shit. Right on, Ryan. Thank you, man. What part of Ontario? I'm from Vancouver, bro. Yeah, Proud's good. Yeah, you guys are. And if it goes higher, fucking albeit, right? It is what it is than what you guys are saying there, but If it doesn't, and you are holding that, you just lost, right? It's not gonna squeeze twice for you. Let's remember, this is not the only fucking play. Like, I was talking to a couple of the guys here the other day. Well, last night. I'll even tell it. Sandy doesn't care. Right? I'm talking to Sanjay there. We were talking about some other stuff. He knows what we're up to on this channel. I'm not going to discuss anything on it, but we got some plays coming, right? So some good ones that potentially can make more money than this. And it's not for everybody, okay? Just so you guys know that. And I won't be sharing that information for free. Not like this. There'll be there'll be an elite group of people for that. Not that I'm trying to make money, but it's just that you got to put stuff into life to get stuff, right? I'm not after to fucking London. Yeah. Right on, Ryan. Right on, brother. Right on, right on. I know coming on here, Ryan, it's probably a little bit different, bro, than most channels. With the pumping thing, like, not pumping, but with the numbers and stuff. I know that you've probably been hearing 100,000 plus million, probably, if you've had the privilege of hearing the million, it's off the fucking wall. But yeah, we've done it, like, yeah, like I already said, it is what it is. What it's called, we call it here, is taking the greed off the table, because you can't be greedy in the stock market. As if you're an experienced trader, you know that the greed is the number one thing that will take you out. Okay. But we have a 3-system selling feature, by the way: share recovery, the push, and then the downplay, which could be the second spike. We have three things that we put our certain amount of shares into each, and the finished product is fucking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We don't just all sell it at once. No. We make our money in other ways off of the system, right? So anyways, there you go. Cam goes off. Ha! Yeah, Sanjay knows me on a different planet. Yep. It does. I do. So there you go, my friends. I'm just going to check something over here, guys. Any other questions? Oh, I do have one up here. Sophie. Sophie 5. Sophie, the 500. I said 500. Is it with an I? Is that the one you want? Because it's F-O. I do want to check it. What am I reading here? O-F-I. O-F-I. Yeah, the 550. F-E-T 500. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Ha! I'm not laughing if you guys owe money. I'm just like, wow, wow. That's my laugh, is like, holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. What did they earn? Are they in a lawsuit or something? Holy shit. I gotta do a pullback on this. What the fuck's going on here? Oh, it's been bleeding for a while. Oh, it's, yeah. This was a pump at one time, wasn't it? I think so. I don't know. I'll have a look here. Oh yeah, this was. Excuse me. This was a retail pump. Yeah, this is a retail pump. This has nothing to do with institutions or hedge funds pump. Yeah, this was a strictly a retail pump. Right here, you can see it. Open market pump. Yeah, same here. Open market pump. So yeah, this was just pumped by the amount of something happened, maybe the product, but news or something like that. It's what the fuck? I know a little bit about. I like to educate myself. Oh, it was a former other company. Okay, well then there had some credentials behind it, obviously. Financials is a platform to offer members of their financial needs. Oh, it's a lending company. Oh. Yeah. These companies would go up and down, man. Available. Oh yeah, fuck. I know what it is. It's the fucking software company. With a platform that they made, technology platforms. It could be good stuff, but these you have to remember, these things come and go. Okay, guys. Something always comes out better. Am I on the right one? To 35? Is that, are you in on this, Aaron? To 35. Okay, I'll round it to 20. Okay, that's a lot. $35. It's never been that high. Oh, it's a new company. It's brand. Oh yeah, it's because it's split off another. It just, yeah, its entity got transferred into a different pile of stuff. Yeah, I see. I see. So, I've already done videos on this before, and I've explained it to you guys. We just did one last week on when a stock enters the market, that initially hurts, that you never buy within the first 2 weeks, in which it did go through that period. Fucking COVID hits and it goes through the roof. Yeah, this was tied into when COVID hit, this thing went mooned. So 28 is the highest it says it's been so far on here, just according to the thing. Just want to make sure. Okay, where the fuck is it? I hate this thing. $52 weeks. Come on. Yeah. 28. Okay. 28. So, there's a little bit of a problem with this, guys. There's no money going into the system anymore. There's no, what they call it, dumb money. Well, but I hate that word. Stimulus is done. CERB's done. Everything's done. It is what it is. The system's crippled right now a bit from all this money pumped in. We're getting the shit of it all now. This thing, yeah, I don't know. Is it going to go up fucking squeeze? Well, it probably shorted to hell. It probably has a high interest on it, or a high shorting volume. The volume's probably been shorted to shit. I know it was a past company before, but that doesn't really mean anything. It does, but it doesn't. It's done a split or reconditioned itself. They put it in low. So that's what the stock market allowed them. Usually it's about no, that's about right, because it's about 15 Canadian when they come in. So they were a little bit good. The population was leery of it. You can tell. Because usually within the first day, it's up here, then it'll go up, and then it'll bleed. And then it'll find its normal. Okay? So, yeah, that's weird right there. So they were already aware of this company somehow. So anyways, like I said, we don't have the volume. It takes a year for a stock squeeze. December, we're coming up on our year right now. Yeah, I don't. Am I on the right? Oh shit, did I skip you? Did I skip you, Proud, on Doge? Did I? Did I? Oh shit, did I? Oh, I did too. Sorry, I didn't even see that. I thought I was going in order here. I don't see it. Damn. Oh, fuck. Oh. Okay, here, I'll do it. Sorry, I didn't know you had to go. Sorry, guys. Dogecoin. I'll do it fast. You can always play it back. Okay, Dogecoin. Here we go. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I didn't see that, man. That's my bad. I take full responsibility with that. Dogecoin's at 22. Down pretty low. I've actually covered this before, but I'll do it again. It's not a problem, especially for you. I'll do it fast for you if you're still on here. Are you still on here? Are you still on here, Proud? Oh, sorry. Take care. Just keep asking. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to cover it anyways. 22. I can't really see it going much lower. If it does, it'll be about 20 cents. I've covered this before. This stock, this one piece of crypto here is, I just wanted to put it out there. It's going to take a lot. It never did hit the dollar. I don't think. Just hang on a second, guys. Yeah, it never did hit the dollar. It had its shine in life, and it missed it. Okay, that was just a human speculation that it's going to go that high. That was not off of financial. That was nobody. Uh, this, you have to remember, this coin wasn't designed to be a coin. Okay, remember, it was a joke. Everybody knows that. But yes, it does have a blockchain connection. We know all that. That's irrelevant, right? That's powerful information, but it's irrelevant to that. That dollar was, I remember, because I was on Twitter when it was happening. I remember this when it was 0.0065. Okay, and I was gonna buy in on it, and I didn't. And do I wish I would have? Yeah, fuck yeah, I would have been fucking loaded right now. But the bottom line is, I didn't. So you can't go off of past. The thing is with this one, it's going to go, I can see it going back 28.30, it's going to go back down. 28.30, it's going to go back down. And then it's going to go down to probably, I would say about 9 cents, 12 cents. Okay? It's going to stay there for a while, a little bit. And then it's going to go have a fucking rip. Okay? And it's going to rip back up to 30 again. And then it's going to take, I don't even know if I don't know if it's going to go higher. I can't predict that. But that down pull, it's going to collapse. Okay, guys? Who cares if it does? Who cares if all this crypto hits the ground? It doesn't matter. Because when you guys were in when you guys bought the crypto, you're buying it for a life play anyways, weren't you? Right? Most of you do. Because that's what crypto is. It's a lifetime hold. Okay, look at Bitcoin. Right? All of this stuff takes time, especially with the crypto. Okay? So I'm not giving you, that's actually good information I just gave out. I know, fucking, that sucks. No, it doesn't suck, man. Because, it'll sustain. You have to remember, crypto's open 24 hours a day. When a stock squeezes, they have to come up with money, these hedgies, okay? Who do you think got these fucking things going? Not the retail investors. Hedge funds, big institutions buy into this shit. I know you're thinking, well, AA is going to put this on so you can, AMC and all that, it's connected now with AMC. Yeah, that's all fine and dandy, right? But it doesn't necessarily help when there's a fire sale happening, okay? I know, because all the hedge funds portfolios are loaded with this shit, okay? And then some people are, well, Elton fucking backs this. That's the problem. That's the big problem. Just nailed it right there. It is pumped strictly off of fucking human fucking, it's a human voice pump, I call it. It is off of him. He talks about it, it goes up. He talks about it, goes up. He is in on this. We don't know. I'm going to speculate, right? He pumps it, it goes up. Well, yeah, it goes up, and then he fucking liquidates it, and then buys in again. Everything that he talks about, anybody talks about, and they mention about what they sell it, is probably not the real information. Why would he go out, or anybody that is in the 1%er club, go and tell all their finances? Well, some of it's divulged, but some of it's divulged and fucking manipulated and put out there just to, how can you fact check that shit? You don't have access to his bank account or his broker, right? So it is what it is. You don't think that he plans this when he talks about stuff and all this, that he tells his friends to fucking double down and fucking it's going to pump up. If this goes up 10% or even a little bit higher, that's millions and fucking millions of dollars that his friends make. They don't look at money like we do, okay? Like $100,000 to a millionaire is like $100 to a multimillionaire, okay, billionaire. It is. Trust me, I know that. $100 to us is not that much money anymore. 1,000 is, yeah, that's getting a little bit noticeable, right? To them, that's nothing. 1,000's like fucking $10, okay? 100,000 like 100, okay? It is just fact. That's just common sense, okay? So yeah, the bottom line with this, and I'm speaking for all crypto, we are gonna have a fucking huge correction, okay? The only reason why I say that, and I've already called a couple, crypto is up high. If fact check me on this, 100%. Go back into my videos, and I started talking about crypto before anybody else started talking about that fucking collapse. Not that I predicted stuff. No, I didn't predict it. Well, I guess it would be a prediction, but I don't look at it like that. It's education on how I fucking think. The reason why I came up with that was I was going to invest in crypto, and I always look at everything, and I found some concerns in all of it, except Bitcoin is its own little branch. Forget about Bitcoin, okay? It has its own little thing. Okay, with crypto, it's open 24 hours a day. Okay, you can't. The bank won't even touch it. Okay, the banks up here in Canada or most of the parts of the world will not actually. You can't buy it through the bank. And they're like, well, yeah, I can. You can through the bank's broker, not through the bank. Okay, there's a difference there. Okay, the thing is with crypto is there's two different types: blood coin, okay, and just normal crypto, okay. Blood coin's bad, okay. In my eyes, the carbon footprint and well, fucking traders don't care about that shit and all that. Yeah, they do, okay. Where it's mined is a big thing nowadays. China is not mining as much as they used to. There's fucking major sanctions of law on it. And then, well, Texas bought up all their stuff, and now fucking they're doing it there, and no. Yeah, that's fun and all dandy and everything like that, but it is what it is. So, the thing, can you get rich off of Dogecoin? Yes, you can, okay? You can get rich off of anything, okay? Depends on how much money you're putting in it. Okay? So that's my throw on this. Do I think it's going to go up? Yeah, I do. I think it's going to hit that $30 range, or $30. I have a problem with zeros moving the decimal. I think it's going to go around 30 and a bit. A little bit of chump change there. And then it's going to have a correction. Okay? It's a revolving door with this. Okay? All crypto's the same. Okay. Sheepcoin. Called it too. Because it's easy to predict. Not to the exact sense. It's the action. It's easy to predict human nature on how it works. Crypto was one of the easiest fucking things to know what it's going to go to. Well, why don't you put money in it, Cameron, and fucking make lots of money on it? No. My shit's tied up. And half these things, the ones on here, I wouldn't put money in with a 10-foot. Well, there's one or two. I don't invest in blood coin, okay? I have morals in life. It is what it is. That's just my belief. You guys can do whatever you want. And do I put you down for? No, fuck no. No. I make sure that there's things, I make sure it's connected to the blockchain, and a lot of them lie. Okay, so they are. It has to be, or else it's not a fucking, it's a false coin with false hope. Okay, I'm gonna wait because a lot of these are gonna be 80% of them are gonna be taken off the fucking market. Okay, and that's worldwide. Well, I shouldn't say world. Correction. China and those other countries do their own shit. I'm talking Canadian American, mostly American. Okay, when it comes to that, they're looking at it right now. 80% of these fucking coins, they're all on these Coinbase and all that shit, are going to be gone. You can buy them privately and stuff, but you're not protected with the fucking insurances and stuff from the SEC. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. Des, what's up, brother? Crypto's going down. Yep, David, you nailed it. More than a little. Cam manipulated, not looking who's their stock like a hedge he's going to do to us. Ah, you're funny. Three, 9. No, I haven't seen that one, Mr. Al. There you go. So, anyways, there you guys go. You have your own opinions on crypto and stuff like that. My job is not to sit here and fucking and predict shit on that stuff. You guys have the final say on it. It is what it is. Like I said, I'm very open and honest on that. I own a whole $25 of Ethereum, and they're like, well, fuck, the guy doesn't even own any crypto. There's a reason why. Okay. I have my ways of putting entry positions in, and I'm waiting for something. Okay. And well, can you share that with me? No, but you'll know when I do because I'll share it, right? But I won't tell you a time, like what's going to happen. I'll tell you the gist of it's fire sale, right? Well, that'll never happen. Well, if it doesn't, it doesn't. I don't invest in crypto. Something will happen with the crypto. Trust me. It's a fucking, it's brewing. There's a multiple things that'll make it go down. Okay, there's three factors. I'm not saying it's going to be worth nothing. I never said that. Okay, I said it's going to have these down pulls and then it's going to go up, and it just is what it is. The heavies will liquidate it first before anything else. Okay, do you know why? Because crypto can be bought and sold any time of the day. Crypto is easy to get. You don't have to even go to the fucking stock. You don't have to buy it through. You can buy it through the fucking app on the phone. Okay, your orders are filled immediately, pretty much. And yeah, I know quite a bit about crypto. And the one that everybody has their own favorites. The one that I would buy into if I was going to would be ticker symbol ADA. Okay, and not that I get paid for pumping it or anything like that, or talking about it. No. It's just that the only one that, besides, well, Bitcoin, is totally different thing. I wouldn't even compare Bitcoin to any of them. That's not fair to these other coins, okay? Like, you're comparing a fucking giant to somebody that fucking nothing. It's not comparable. It's already had its go. It's already had its term. There's no comparison. You can't compare Bitcoin to fucking Dogecoin. It's new. One's a new coin and it hasn't had its time, right? So that's all I'm saying. So there you guys go. So yeah, not that I'm being negative on Sundial and all these things, because I'm not. I'm just being not negative. It's just realistic, right? I don't like throwing money into stuff that is a what if. Okay, everything has their time and stuff. And yes, Sundial is it stays around this number, right? And could you make money off Sundial? Fuck yeah, right? Is it undervalued? Fuck yeah. Okay. And same with there's a couple things undervalued here. So that's my take on that. And remember I said this morning, lithium, ticker symbol LAC, was just fucking ripping. And I said, not financial advice. It has its time and place. Just stay the fuck away from it. Look at the price now. You would have lost all your money. You would have been in the negative this morning. Oh, the 399. Mr. L. That's the same. I use the same, not the same formula as him, but that's the three selling. That's a three system. I've been using that forever, dude. Jay is he's a mathematical person, okay? He knows that the odd numbers, he knows this, it's just odd numbers are not good. I mean, no, sorry, even numbers are not good. They're not good in anything. It's just not good. It's hard to explain. And I just wanted to say that's why if you guys have been on the channel, you should know it by now. I go in threes, okay? And I always go in, even when I do my stock, like my stuff, I'd never go on an even number. I did it multiple times today. Yeah, Jay, I will get into it more on, yes, a Google Meet. Yes, I will actually get into it and tell you some reasons why. I just can't discuss it on here too much into it anymore. And it's good to see you again, Tess. Seriously, buddy. Loudest, I think Doji has a huge potential. It does. Yeah, it does. It has huge potential. Yeah, they all do. But what's huge to you and what's huge to somebody else? You know what I mean? Like, a lot of people made a lot of fucking money on it. You can, right? You can. If something goes up like 10, 20%, that makes millionaires. Depends on how much you put into it, right? Dogecoins have made multi-millionaires all over the board, right? And if you guys own it, I'm not putting it down, and I know it hurts more when you own a stock and somebody says that. I never said anything really negative. I'm just realistic on it. I actually gave it a pretty good thumbs up on it, right? It's going to go down. That sucks, but you're in it long, though. You should not be in a crypto for a fucking 2-day play. Crypto doesn't work like that, and you should know that. Crypto is a long play. Okay? It takes a while for these coins to go, right? It's a planned event that it could be planned, a fucking retirement thing. When you guys buy 1,000,000 coins of fucking SHIB, did you think next week you're going to be a multi-millionaire? I hope not. Right? But down the road, could you be? Fuck yeah, you could be. Yeah. And usually it's about a 10-year span. 5, 10 year 5, 10, 15. There's that 3 system factor again. Okay? So it just takes a while, right? There's a lot of people that made out that sheep going. Remember that last little push we had? There's a lot of people that made some good money on that, right? Excuse me. Your MC is red. What's Sanjay doing? Oh yeah, Sanjay. Yeah. Send Sanjay. Yeah, there we go. It is in the red. It isn't. What time is it? 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's still early. It's still early. It's down 1% right now. Let's have a look here. Oh fuck! I got it on the. What am I doing here? There you guys go. Might be tapping off our fucking line. It'll go back up. It'll go up. It'll go up. That's totally fucking manipulation. Fucker volume's low. That's low. That's low. But that's not a reason to pull it down like that. That's not normal. I've seen, and you guys probably have seen this too. We had about the same. No, we had about 45 mil volume, about this 55 million, and I think it was about this time that the stock went up 15, 12. Or no, it wasn't 15%. It was 8 to 10%. That's because they weren't fucking around with it. They're what they're doing is they're shelving it, right? Or they're letting the orders. They're pulling the orders. They're not letting them hit the market. Exactly what's happening. So they're controlling it right now. Here it goes. It's going back up a bit, right? It's going to go back up. It'll consolidate, go up a little bit more, and then it'll go back down. There we go. That candlestick's moving normal. It's not being a ladder. It's not being high frequency traded, like speed traded back and forth, where it fucking bounces like that. Yeah, it's normal now. They're letting it. See, they're fucking with it. That's normal. What it's doing right now, those vibrations, is normal. And if you've been on here for a while, you guys know what I'm talking about. I'll point it out when it's fucking doing this, and then it goes do-do-do-do, and it goes do-do-do. That's not normal. What happened to BB? Sunny M, what's up, brother? How you doing? Sunny, hey, you're new to the channel, aren't you? I don't recognize. I like the dog. I love the dog. Beautiful dog, man. No, I'm talking about your avatar. Crazy stuff. I was just looking at you guys' stuff here. So there you go. There you go. We're going to have a little bit of consolidation here, guys. There's nothing really to talk about on AMC, man. It's kind of... I already talked about it earlier. just gonna send Proud just because I feel like a bit of a bastard here. Sell off on Mr. L on AMC. Sick. I can't really see that. See, remember I said it was going to go back down. It'll go back down and then it'll go back up. It's just good there. It's gonna. This will probably be on the day. It'll probably be here, in this realm here. That prediction is by the end of the week. Just so we're clear on that with this right here. Okay, that's the upper. That's the lower. Okay. We're only on Monday. So I'm gonna send this video over to Proud, or tell her to, that's my baby, right on. I'll get into BB in a minute. I just wanted to tell her that I did cover it on the end. I just feel bad, right? Because she was waiting. That's the problem with having working off a fucking laptop. The screen's not that big. The video's like 1 minute. Cam, check it out. Yeah, Mr. Al. Fuck yeah. When is Google Meet? I haven't had a meeting yet. Set up. We'll know at the end of the week, around the end of the week. And what we'll do is we only use the top code on that list that was sent. That's for meetings and emergencies only, and I mean emergency is in pre-market. If I see the fucking, I'll see the signs. I told you guys I'll fucking see it right away when we're getting into the. I'm not gonna say a short squeeze because the shorts have to cover for that. When I see the fucking ammunition, the priming for a short squeeze, I will be getting a hold of you guys in pre-market. Okay. Because we're gonna see FOMO first. So yeah, the Google Meet there, and okay, let's look at. It looks uglier in the 1 minute, Cam, Mr. L. Sorry, what were you looking at, BB? Okay, let's look at BB here for you. Yeah, I'm on the 1 minute right now. Are you talking about AMC? That's what I'm in right now, bro. Or are you talking about BB on the 1 minute? Yeah, BB. Yeah, BB is a huge, has a lot of stock out there too. I'll show you something, or a lot of that's not right. That's not right. The shares, what the fuck's going on here? They have more shares than that, I thought. Well, no, they do. Yeah, they own more than AMC. That's right. Okay, so I'm on the 1 minute chart here on Webull. And this is the American price. For you Canadians, you're out there, you're like, what the fuck? It's still at $13, roughly $12, okay, for Canadian price, okay? Because I did that the other day, I almost fucking tripped right out. Yeah, this thing's under, you guys that have been around for a while on the channel, you know how I feel about BB. It is way undervalued. I could see this stock potentially. You have to remember, it's been around forever, okay? This thing's shorted. I'm not talking about shorted volume. It's been shorted to shit, okay? I'm just saying in general, this thing has had its fucking... They've tried bankrupting this since the beginning of time. BlackBerry runs all of... I'm just going to throw some factual information out there. They're partners with Volvo Group. They work in the mines with the Volvo trucks as a hub. They have better software than Tesla does. But Tesla sells his own product. Elton sells his own product. Just his voice fucking talking about something is gold, right? BlackBerry is on their own. They have had a bad history with the not a bad. I shouldn't say that. No, they haven't had a bad history. It's just the delisting of their of the texting format on their platform, the BlackBerry, actual phone or communication device, I should call it, because that's what it was back then. The disappearing of that made it look bad on them, which it is what it is. They just never caught up with time on that aspect, and they never followed the trend because they got their own all that shit was patented. And they went off in another direction, which is good because they held their own. They have like 3,000 plus fucking patented shares that are, no, it's fine, that are ahead of the time. Thanks, babe. Can you close the door though? Oh, no, never mind. It's okay. Leave it open. Ahead of their time, right? So that means that some of the software hasn't even been put out yet. So hospital devices, stuff like that. a lot of it is run off of BlackBerry. Okay, a lot of people don't know that. The QNX, I think, cluster in your dash, they're saying, what is it, 80% of all the fucking smart cars have that, not Tesla. Okay, run the dash clusters are BlackBerry. Okay, the best encrypted software in the world, the military uses it. Canadian government uses it for like our unemployment insurance, federal government buildings is all BlackBerry. Okay, it's uncrackable. Okay, they own a very, very good fucking security platform. Okay, it's one of the best in the world. They own a better for driving your vehicle without a person in it, like I was talking about. They use it in the mining trucks and stuff like that. In the future, the mines they've already started up in Canada, it will have a central hub. These big rock trucks and stuff, they're already running it right now. It's in the test phase. There's no people in them. It's just trucks cruising around dumping, and it pulls up beside the excavator. They load it, and then the fucking truck takes off and goes to the dump site, dumps it. It's all automated now. They have a central hub that could run a whole fucking mine, a whole dumping site. It is real. It is happening. Okay. Yeah. So Volvo Group is in on that, and I'm not. I can. There's more information on that. I'm not going to get into it. No, Sanjay, we're not going to have one, bro. I'm busy. I'm busy for the next couple of days. It'll be on the weekend if not. It's all good, Sanjay. We're not. Just so you know. No, definitely not tomorrow. So there you go. There's a BB, man. On it. I don't know. It is just what it is. It's had its fight. It has its fight. It'll recover. It seems to be stuck in this little area here, and it seems to hit. You're almost at the lowest right now. Maybe about $9 range, and then it'll go back up to 13, and then or 12, 13, and then it'll go back down. It's stuck in this area, right, guys? So, anyways, that's enough of that. We're over our time, guys. I'm going to wrap this today. Do you have any other questions? I'll give you a minute here. I'm gonna go get some coffee. I'll give you a minute there to put it up on the board. I'll answer a couple questions here. I'm not gonna get into any stocks though right now. Oh, the rest of us. Yes, okay, Sanjay. Sorry. Okay, I'll back in a minute, guys. Hi there, little girls. Give me a minute. I can't hear you. Hey guys, how's it going? Oops, I'll put that over here. Okay. Okie dokie doke 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 doke. Well, that's funny. You guys are hilarious. You guys are hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna make sure. I'm just gonna. Hell no, hell no. Do. Did Sonny disappear on us? Okay. That's weird. I asked him if he was here before and then he took off. Okay, thanks, Cam, and back. Oh, have to have a great day. Gonna deal with it. Yeah, not a problem, brother. I'm wrapping her anyways. I can't repeat that, Sanji. That's funny though. Yeah, guys. Only have a good day. I'm busy today. Too. I gotta get ready for my welding test. Welding up those steel plates. And then I will have an answer for you guys if I'm being put on an afternoon shift, so I'm only going to be doing podcasts in the morning for about half an hour. I get off at 1:30 in the morning, some sleep, get up, do a half an hour podcast, go back to bed, and go to work because I'm working 10-hour shifts. Okay, so anyways, there you guys go. I got the afternoon shift, so we can continue doing this. It is what it is. So anyways, Wolfpack, I love you. I'm out of here. Peace. Do.